Good morning, team. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a blessed Friday, man. Let me go ahead and give a little quick shout out to everybody who came through. J24, I see you. Let me go ahead and turn my little volume on for my my chat box. So J24, good morning to you. Shout out to everybody who's came through. Charlie Queen, I see you. AK47, Gert, Marty, shout out to all of y'all, man. Again, I'm blessed to see another day to be, sharing another trading day with my awesome team, man. And let me go ahead and give a shout out to my latest followers. Faraday Frank, shout out to you. What is this? What is this? Mr. Gray 27, shout out to you. Icy, shout out to you, Queen. And CK Sup, shout out to you, boss. So let's go ahead and dive right into our chart. So in a matter of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. All right, team, we are back here. We're back here right now. So far, I'm still up. I'm on my swing still. So everything is still looking good. Let me move this back over real quick to my. All right, cool. So far, so good. I mean, I might take a little profit on this one and reset myself up. Got a little bit of profit right now. So I did get in the great little area. So right now, as far as I'm looking on SPY, I'm anticipating for us to. I'm gonna see if we're gonna either crack that my uptrend and come and pull back down, or will we stay on top of this uptrend and bounce back on up? So right now I'm in a good, decent area right now. So right now I'm up, not a lot until we get a decent crack at this trend line and pull back a little bit further. So right now I'm still keeping it on watch right now. We do have 10 minutes to the market open, team. So let me go ahead and dive into, come on, this thing acts stupid. So let me go ahead and dive into what we got today. Really wasn't nothing major for the earnings. All your major companies are over with. We do have a few gas companies, automotives, but that's pretty much it. Nothing really major. And do remember, next week we will have FOMC meeting. Why are you covering up my Jeeps? What you mean, boss? I ain't covering up your Jeeps. Like, I ain't covering up no Jeeps. Your Jeeps are still showing. What you mean, man? Don't do that, AK. Let's see, economic data. As far as economic data, now you're gonna have me go back and check it. We already came out with our PCE data, which came out to a 2.8. Expected was a 2.6, so we did came a little higher than expected. So that's why I was anticipating a pullback.
Bot Rix has correctly joined the channel.
Oh, shut up. Block you too. I don't need you. All right, cool. So let's see. So go right here. So right here, team, we will have the FOMC meeting within. Let me see. Well, this is old, so it should be 4 days now. So we will be having the FOMC meeting May 1st. That will be Wednesday, and I can also go to the where's my whatchamacallit that real quick. Let's go to it. Sorry about that, team. Go to the economic data for next week. So next week, May 1st, what I talked about, we will be having an FOMC meeting at 2 o'clock, and Uncle JP will be speaking at 2:30. So definitely keep that in mind, team. We will be having that rocking and rolling. So just giving y'all a heads up on that. But man, how's everybody morning, man? How's everybody doing? Like I said, 37 wins in a row, man. I can't complain right now. And like I said, I will be here to 12:30, and we'll be rolling out because today is Friday, and you know how the volume likes to get on Fridays, and we start to die out because you got to think about traders who already made profits Monday through Thursday, damn near, who's getting ready to enjoy their week. So yeah, I will be here till 12. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do feel free to reach out to me. And again, if you are enjoying my content and learning a lot from it, do your boy a favor and smash the like button, subscribe button, follow button. Like I said, comment, share to help build the algorithms, so we keep it rocking and rolling. Because as I did state, team, that, through the grace of God, I have gotten my little AdSense, so we're trying to get the algorithms up and running, man. So I'll be greatly appreciated. That's free 99. Just the press of a button. Thank you so much for joining. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled to see where we go when the bell rings. We have 7 minutes left, team. I do want to see what's going to happen at this my uptrend to see if we're going to bounce back on up, or will we actually pull back on down. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled. So I'm up a little bit in profit. I mean, I was up way up earlier this morning. I was up to almost 200. So it came down a little bit once we got that little spike. But like I said, we did come out a little bit higher than expected on the as far as the PCE data, when I seen that spike, I was like, came out a little bit higher than expected. I'm like, we're supposed to be meeting at a 2.6. So I'm still sitting on my hands. Now, the reason why I'm probably take a little quick profit on this one, because I forgot this account that I do have. I do have 0 day trades on that. So what I did was I switched my money over to my other account. So I have 3 day trades on that one. So I'll take a little bit of profit on this one and kind of reset myself up for another opportunity to go for a bigger trade. So yeah, because I was gonna hold this one out all the way to next week, because I was anticipating that we was gonna spike up here, which I was gonna add more and then reverse and come back on down. So what I might do, I might reset myself. You know, if we do get this little crack at this trend line, so I'm gonna see what's gonna happen within 6 minutes of the bell. We're gonna hold this trend line, go push back on up, or will we crack it and come back on down? But regardless, like I said, I'll take a little bit of profit on my account that I do have, and you know, just rock and roll with it, see where we go from here. So I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes peeled on that. Where's my entry? Yeah. So I can show you my whatchamacallit real quick. So right now, like I said, I'm not up too much. I mean, like I said, I got here up my entry right here. I just put in just one to test it because I knew PC data was coming out, so I just went in with one. So it is up just 30 right now, so it ain't really nothing. But I was up higher than that, but due to the spike, it went back down because I was it was damn near all the way up to the $5 mark. So that was 100 right there. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled to see what's gonna happen within 6 minutes before the bell rings. So see which way we actually go. Again, if we're gonna crack this trend line and come back on down, or we're gonna rebound up that trend line and go back on up. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled. And like I said, if I gotta take a quick little profit, I'll take a quick little profit and then reset myself up with my other account that I transfer my money in. So I'm gonna definitely keep on watching on here. So I mean, right now we are trying to test that trend line, and again, we do have a possibility of rebounding off of that trend line and moving back up this way. So that's why I'm just keeping my eyes peeled to see what's going to happen right at this trend line. You know, whether we get a little pullback underneath or whether we rebound and push back on up. So I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes peeled on that mark for sure to see where we go from here. But like I said, I will. If I have to take a little small, whether I have to break even or take a little small profit, I'll do it on this account and then switch over to my other account where I have 3 day trades and reset myself. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled real quick to see where we go from here. So we're gonna rock and roll with it though, team. But how are your trading? How are y'all guys looking? I mean, are y'all sitting on your hands waiting for the next opportunities? We didn't have any auction data. I don't think we did. Nope, no auction data. The only thing we're gonna have at 1 o'clock is we're gonna have Baker Hughes rig count. I guess it's gonna be speaking. I guess that's gonna be at 1 o'clock. So definitely keep my eyes peeled on that. So like I said, I got a small little profit right now. So I mean, I got a nice little entry. So I mean, my risk was like like this. So that's why I'm anticipating to see what's gonna happen right here as we get closer and closer towards the market bell to see if we're gonna get a little whether we're gonna crack this trend line and go down or whether we're gonna get a little bounce on up. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled because it looked like it want to crack it, but it's definitely trying to hold. It's been holding this little spot since this morning because you can see it bounced. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled to see exactly where we go as the bell ring. And like I said, if I gotta take a little small profit, I'll take a little small profit and reset myself up with my other account. So I'm gonna definitely just sit on my hands and wait to see what happens. Morning, Jay. We say calls at the open 509. I'm confused. Well, I was anticipating a pullback, J24, because like I said, we came out higher. The inflation was higher than expected. So instead of a 2.6, we came out to a 2.8. So we came out higher. So that's why I was expecting a pullback. So because like I said, the expectation was supposed to be 2.6 and lower because it was supposed to like lower the inflation, but we came out higher. So we came out at 2.8. So I'm like, we should have been dropping. So that's why I was still had a little bit of confidence because I'm like, we did come out a little bit lower. I mean, higher than expected. I'm like, something ain't right here. So are you closing your options at? Yeah, I might close. Well, right now we're still pulling, so that's still good. That's a good thing. Like I said, I just want to see if we're gonna get a crack at this trend line. So we keep trying to hold it. So if I gotta take a little profit, I'll take a little profit and reset myself up with my other account, Queen, because I did transfer my money over to my other account because I got 3 day trades on that one. So we are pulling back right now before the bell rings. We do have 2 minutes until it, and like I said, if I gotta just take a quick little profit, I'll take a little quick profit. We are pulling back. Boom, there it is. So I'll take a little profit to see where we go as the bell rings. Ooh, pulling. Ooh, pulling. What we got? Let me see where we go from here, though. I'm going to keep my eyes peeled, so we all pulling back. So, I mean, I'm looking good right now. So, I'm going to just wait for the bell to ring, see where we go from here. and take my little profit and looking good. Looking good. Ooh, come on. 506. So right now I'm up. I can't complain. I can't complain. So let's see if we can hold this level by the time the bell ring. What we got left? One more minute. All right, I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on. Let me see where we go. Like I said, I'll take my profit and reset myself. So I'm gonna just see, take my little profit at the bell. So, like I said, so far so good. I can't complain on that. So I'm gonna definitely keep this on watch. Definitely keep it on watch. Definitely keep it on watch. Let's see what we got left. Come on, 55 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't you start going back up. Get me out. Get me out. I like I said, I'm gonna just reset myself because my other account got 3-day trades. So I'll take my little profit on this one. So that makes what, 38 wins. So we got 40 seconds left. Come on, 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 come on. Pull, pull, keep pulling, keep pulling. Don't you go back up. Don't go back up. Don't go back up. We got about 20, almost 25 seconds left, team. I'm gonna try to hurry up and make this quick exit. So I'm gonna see where I go from here. So let's see. Let's see. Cause I know it's trying to pull back up before the bell ring. I know what it's trying to do. It always does that. As soon as that bell ring, it likes to try to shoot back up. I already know. We got 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, let's see.
You're gonna be green when it opens.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I said I'm gonna hurry up and take my profit. I'm gonna reset myself. And right now, bell. Here we go. Boom. All right. Let me see where I'm at. Where's my bias? Oh, here we go. So I'm gonna take a quick 70. Oh wait, why is it wait, why is it hold up, wait, why is it hold up. Alright, boom, out. So I'm green. So I ain't complain on that, I'll take that. So I heard took that little profit. So boom, so that gives me 38 wins right now. So I'm up 38 right now. Boom, can't complain on that. So I'm gonna wait for it to go back up and then I'm gonna go for my other one. So I did switch my account over. Let me go back over to my other account real quick. So I got out. That was a quick little profit. So that was what I just made a quick little, I should have held it, huh? Shit. I should have held it. I should have held it. I should have held it. Cause took a little 80. I just took a little quick 80. So I just wanted to reset myself because I didn't know it was going to try to rebound back on up and go higher. So I was going to try to reset myself. So I am up now, 38 wins. And, yep, I'm up 38 wins right now, team. 38 wins.
Can't be scared, Jake. LOL.
Oh, I ain't never scared. I went for the swing, didn't I? I ain't never scared, buddy. You know me. I'm just about to add. Let me go ahead and go to my little wins and losses thing.
Elements says, enjoying the content? Show your support by following Jatrix on all platforms.
Man, thank you so much, boss. I should have held it. God dang it, now it would look like we want to pull back. I should have kept it. I didn't know if we was going to rebound back up like in the morning. You know where now you want to pull. I should have held it. Shit, I should have held it. Now you want to pull back. Man, that it is what it is. God, but hey, I won. I'm up in profit. So I'm up 38 wins now. 38 wins, 6 losses. So I take that, man. God, I should have held it. Oh, the pain. I didn't know it was going to actually get the pullback. I thought it was going back up. Let me see how much I would have been up, how I would have got out. Let me see what my account at now. I would have been up the hurt. I should have held it. Damn it. I should have held it. Oh, the pain. Like I said, I was just because again, I didn't know what the PCE data was gonna not this. You see right here where I got out at. I got in at $4 and I got out around $4.70, and look where we at right now. God dang it. I should have held it. I would have been Jesus. It is what it is. Oh man, I thought we was gonna spike back up because I was gonna go for a higher mark. Damn it, man. That's cool. I ain't gonna sweat it. I ain't gonna cry about it. Oh, we're all popping back up. So okay. So I was expecting for us to kind of like rebound back on up real quick, but man. But y'all remember the max pain was 504. So you remember yesterday? Let's go back to the options chain real quick. I'm gonna show you. So the max pain today should be 504 still. So let's go back real quick. I should have held it. I should have held it. That's on me. That's on me. Damn, I should have held it. Cause I know like early in the mornings on Fridays you like to get a pop. That's why Herbie got out. So the 26, now it's down to 503. So if it does spike, I might get back in. I could get back in for another one. And we go higher and get anticipate a pullback down to these low levels. I might do that because we got a million. We got 1.1 million out of the money puts expiring today versus 333,000 out of the money calls expiring today with the max pain of 503. So I could wait for it to go back on up, and then catch that spike back on. I mean, catch that pull back on down. I'm gonna actually go for calls again. I mean, not calls. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go for. I will go for puts. I'm gonna go for puts because I'm anticipating that we, for us to, if we do run back this way, hit my trend line, and then get that reversal back on down. So we do run back on up. I'm definitely gonna put in some more puts. So I'm gonna wait for it to go up. So I did good. All right, I did get out. I did get out at the right time because I was expecting a spike. I knew we was gonna get a little move back up because I know on Fridays you normally get the spike up in the morning, and then as 12 o'clock rolls, you kind of start to fade. So that's why I was getting out early because I didn't know we were gonna spike back up like early in the morning. I thought we were gonna spike on this first candle. I thought we was gonna spike up on this first candle, but we didn't catch it to the to this one here. So we did spike back on up. So I was right, but I had jumped the gun a little too fast. So let it go back on up. I'm gonna let it run. That's cool. I done got out. Boom, 38 wins in a row. Can't complain on it. 38 wins versus 6 losses. 38 wins, can't complain. Yeah, I swung overnight, boss. I did. I swung. Swung overnight, went for a put. I just got out this morning, Scrooge. So now I'm up 38 wins right now, boss. I can't complain on that. I ain't lost yet. Still making good. I know, man. AK up 17,000, man. That is insane. I mean, the reason why I went for put because I missed the spike, because he got in on Google. I was still on SPY, but I should have got in. I should have got especially on that spike. What time was that when it went on spikes? Did I have time? I did have time. Cause I didn't know, with options it closes at 4:15. I should have got in. I should have stayed in at 5:03. Had I would have got in with 1,000 shares and it ran up, I should have did that. I should have did it. So I want to see if we're gonna spike back on up, get back above that trend line, and then run back this way towards that. Cause I want to see if we're gonna go towards these highs. If we do, I'm gonna definitely go for some more puts. I want to see how high we're gonna go. So. And then my contract doesn't expire until next week. So I'm anticipating a spike because that's what I thought we was gonna do today. So I thought we was gonna bounce off of that trend line and actually run back up that way. That's what I was anticipating. So go back up this way, boom, and then start to catch that fade on down. So I'm gonna see where we go. Try to see if we're gonna get a bounce back on up. We may stay under that trend line and come back on down, back down this way, or we may get back on top of that trend line and actually run back this way. So I'm anticipating that because you kind of can see the pattern setting itself up like it wants to bounce and actually move back this way. So I'm anticipating that. So I did I got out so right before the pop. So that's good. So that's definitely good. But man, I jumped the gun a little too quick. I jumped the gun a little too fast because I would have had over 120 on that one. But like I said, the reason why I didn't go in too big because of the CPE data. The PCE data because I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know what was going to be the expectation. I didn't know we was going to get the 2.6 or lower. I didn't know, but when I seen 2.8, see that was the reason why I still had confidence. And J24, that's why, like you were saying, you jumped in the morning calls. I knew that we was going to get a rejection because the expectation again was the 2.6. We wound up coming out to a 2.8, and I can go to the let me see if they still have it in the article. Let's go back to CNBC. No, damn, I'm trying to have to see if I can try to find it if they still have the article in there still for the PCE data. Matter of fact, no, it should be in my lobby because I did post it. PCE data. Yeah, here we go. So you can see right here, I do have it. So you can see key Fed inflation measures rose 2.8% in March from a year ago, more than expected. As you can see right here, let's go back a little bit right here what I was reading. I said including food and energy. the all items PCE price gouge increased 2.7 and compared to the 2.6, but as you can tell, we came up higher than expected because we were supposed to come out around 2.6. But when I seen 2.8, I had a little bit of confidence. I'm like, okay, cool, we should be going back on down. So that's why when I seen the spike, I was anticipating we was going to pull right back on down, in which we did. So that's why I kept my eyes peeled on that, and I still had confidence, so I didn't get scared. Once I seen 2.8, I was actually excited. So I was like, all right, cool. We came out higher than expected. So let me see. Hard to digest, losing while everyone else is winning. I am taking the day off. Okay? Let me help y'all, Scrooge. Let's help you with this, boss. Okay, so what did you do? What did you get in? So I'm gonna try to help you out as best as possible. Best as possible. So yeah, let me know what did you get in? Like what was the issue? So we are spiking back on up. See, I was expecting that. So I'm expecting that bounce off of that trend line for a little move back on up this way. Boom, boom, boom. Waiting for this move here. So I can get in for some more puts for the reversal back on down. So I'm anticipating that spike. So let it go back on up. So see, that's the reason why I got out. See, reason why I got out with the quickness, because I was like, I knew that was gonna happen because on Fridays you normally get that spike early in the morning first. So good thing I stuck to my game plan. So like I said, if you're not a part of my Patreon or my YouTube membership, do feel free to good morning, Trade, and good morning to you, Scrooge. I've got to tell y'all good morning, man. I do apologize. And good morning to you. Who was that? Engineer, shout out to you. Coldplay, shout out to you. Yeah, I do apologize for not telling y'all good morning. I am sorry about that. But again, join my Patreon and join my YouTube membership. Like I said, for the weekends, we go over, take a deeper dive into the markets, where we go over certain lessons.
Good morning.
Trade Life, good morning to you, boss. Good morning, good morning. Like I said, this week I'm gonna definitely be 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna be going over these lessons here, and I'm gonna send y'all the link to it whenever y'all decide to do it. Like I said, it's no rush, no forcing. But I will be going over my lessons as far as the Breaking Bad method. What is the Breaking Bad method? We go over issues that hold you back as far as becoming a great trader. Basically going over bad habits. Having the wrong mindset, not having a detailed plan, unstable work ethics, losing trade syndrome, losing money per trade, lack of track, LOT, and the main one that everybody experiences is the not having enough patience. So that's gonna be one of the lessons, and I'm gonna go back over the Ely. What is Ely? We already went over this like last year. Ely, ELEE, environment, levels, entries, and exits. So we're gonna go over those. What does that mean? Okay, what is environment? Environment, pretty much the market structure, the context of the market. Pretty much that's pretty much the direction, whether it's going to an uptrend or a downtrend or in a channel. That'll be your environment. Okay, what is L? L is your levels. Levels. Determine price point of support and resistance levels in the market. Support, resistance, of course. And what is your entry? That's the other E, which is the desired price point a trader chooses to enter a stock. And you already know what exit is. Exit is the desired price point a trader chooses to exit a stock. So I will be going over a few lessons, and I will be putting the links out. If you ever decide to join us, definitely will be do the best I can to help you guys, because I want to see you become great traders. Man, shout out to AK up 17,000. Hey man, you need to take me out. We need to go eat out, man. Let's go. Crawfish or barbecue, whatever. Joe's Crab Shack, Papa Do's, where you want to go. But man, shout out to AK-47. Shout out to one of my mentors, man. One of the greatest to ever do it. I'm a living testimony to say that this guy, information that he puts out, everything is legit. Everything is 100%. Like I said, this guy helped change my career in so many ways. And I'm grateful for you, man. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me, AK-47, because you made me become the trader who I am today. Because with the help of you, assisting me with understanding the charts better, the right indicators, and I'm truly grateful to have you in my corner, boss. So thank you for everything that you do, and congratulations on your $17,000 you got? 17 G's? Man, Shout out to you, boss. But let me go ahead and put in the links. Let me move this over real quick. Apologize about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the links if you ever decide to join. So let me go to my Patreon. I got my links up here, and it's, as well as the foundation. So I have a foundation, which is the leaderboard above my head. So if you ever want to join the foundation, do feel free. Like I said, there's no hassle. Let me go ahead and put that in my in YouTube as well. Post these bad boys. So, boom.
Jatrid says, join the Trits Foundation donation leaderboard via
Shut up.
Stream Elements /TBS, link, Cash App, link Jatrids, Venmo,
And
link.
also,
Jatrid says, join the Trits Foundation donation leaderboard via Stream Elements /TBS,
all right.
link, Cash App,
And let me
link,
post the
Venmo, link.
memberships so y'all can have that as well. So I got the memberships too whenever you feel free to join. So we gotta have different tiers that you can also join. So I have those as well. So let me post these too.
Jatrid says, join Jatrid's Patreon.
Ah, no, shut
Link
up.
join
You ain't gotta
YouTube
repeat
membership.
everything I say. You got dug in.
Link
All right, cool.
Jatrid says,
Shut up.
join Jatrid's.
Shut it. We know. But yeah, like I said, it's no hassle, it's no rush. It's like, man, it's up to you, team. Whatever you want to do, I'm here to help. Do the very best I can, and I can show y'all some examples on what I post. Just to give you an example on how my Patreon looks too. So I do have my Patreon here. Let me stretch it out just a little bit. So I do post. I'm trying to stretch it out as far as I can. I do apologize. So yeah, I do post out the news. I do have a different economic chart that I do post for my members. As far as the fear and greed, spy recaps, links to the news, and then like I said, I do my J trades one-on-one talks. You can see right here, for example, where I do talk. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Close that off. Trying to play it. Is it on? I think it's on. 60 minus, let's say. Yeah, so basically I take a deeper dive into the market where I help people out on the weekend. So I mean, I do like I said, I do a little bit extra over the weekend, like I said, to help out people as much as I pretty much can, man. Because I definitely want to see you guys become great traders, man. And I know y'all have the capability because again, I was once in that position before where I didn't even know the market. I was confused, didn't understand. Hell, I didn't even understand the functionalities. Like, I didn't understand the support resistance. I didn't know how important VWAP was in, certain indicators. But now, through the grace of God, through the help of Active, AK-47, Deck, Zach, and a lot of these great guys, man, that helped me come a long ways. And all I'm doing is taking that information and sharing this with you guys. So, anything y'all need help with, man, definitely feel free. I mean, even on my live. I mean, if you think about it, on my live, I give out free information. I mean, I don't charge anybody anything. We always doing live commentaries, where, you ask for a certain ticker. Oh, let me do that.
Enjoying the content.
Shut up. Block you too. But yeah, like I said, even on live stream, if y'all need help with anything, man, do feel free to reach out to me, man. I mean, again, it's free of charge. I need help with anything, I'm here to help. But I do give extra, lessons and take deeper dives over the weekend. So I'm basically working instead of Monday through Friday, dude. I'm working Monday through Saturday. I mean, I'm just constantly grinding because I want to be the best trader I can be. I mean, especially if you want to turn something like this into get away from a 9-to-5 and turn this into a full-time job. Man, you got to put in the work, and that's what I do. And I love what I do, man. I mean, definitely want to stay away from a 9-to-5 and keep pushing, because I want to be great. I want to give my kids the best life. I want to help my family the best way I can. I want to help you guys, So I'm truly grateful for your support. And, I mean, let's keep rocking and rolling, team. I got y'all, man. We're going to keep pushing. So whatever y'all need help with, your boy's here. I'm always here to help. So never be afraid to ask me for anything. Y'all need help on a ticker, let me know. If you need to help on a certain entry, whatever, man, let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm here. But again, I thank you so much for being here for me too, team. Y'all support me, I support y'all. That's how we rock and roll, man. Thank y'all. Thank you so much. Because there's no J trades without you. So, and as you can see, we are moving back on up as I anticipated, bouncing off my trend line. I'm just going to anticipate for that push back going up. So, I'm sitting there in anticipation. I could have got in on it. Well, yeah, 506. Let me check. Let me check out my calls real quick. Do. For today's 26, right? 26. What's the delta on this one? $8. I mean not 8. This one got 11. This one got 12. Let me go to calls on this one. Let me see, just in case if I do hop in on a call, because I do got 3-day trades. So where are we at now on this one? So we didn't bounce from $6 all the way back up to 8. So that'd been. Let me see. What can I get in? So we're getting a little pullback still a little weak. What trade are right now I'm out, Queen. I'm just waiting on the setups. Like I said, if we do continue to get that spike, let me I can bring up this chart a little bit bigger too so you can get a full view of it. So let me go here real quick. Let me go up to this my chart. So as you can see right here, I am anticipating a bounce off of my trend line for that run for a possible pushback on up. So I want to see how much push do we have left, and if we do, I want to see us hit up this towards this trend line. You know, between the 510s, all on up, then even damn near towards the 514s. So I definitely want to see a push. But if not, if we don't get that push and we do get rejected and bears do come back on in, I'm gonna expect to pull back underneath that trend line. We will start to reverse back on down. So right now I'm just watching my trend line to see if we're gonna hold it for a possible push on up. And if we do get a push on up, I am going to anticipate putting on puts up here in this range for the possible reversal back on down. So you already rotated at the bottoms here. You can see that at the green line. So all you're doing is possibly rotating from the green back up to the red. Kind of like here, for example. So let me go back. I can show you where we did have a rotation, like right here. So you see how you rotated from the green and rotated up to the red, and then from the red you fell back down to the green. So all I'm doing is anticipating the rotation back on down. So as we go up this way, I'm anticipating a rotation back down this way. What is the setup? What is the setup for Google? Let me check it out. Google real quick. Google. I got you on that, Queen. Let's check it out. Shit, right now we're on this kind of like bull flag pattern right now. Let's see if I can take a deeper dive into it. Look like we're on an uptrend still. Let's see. What do you think? Let's see. Think we may stall out a bit. Oh, you talking about as far as channeling, Gert? That's what you mean? Going on a channel, trying to see if I can look at it as best as possible. It looked like an uptrend overall. I mean, you can just see it right here. It looked like an overall uptrend. So let's take, I don't want to take all of this. I'm going to start from right here maybe. So let's see if we can do Google. Where you bounce that? Let me see if I try to put it together as best as possible, Queen. Let me see if I can do it. If I can get this right. Squeeze this down just a tad bit. Duplicate that trend line. I can definitely see that here. And then I see another one way over this way. But that's way up here. So you rotate it here, bounce. So how high can this bad boy go? So let me extend that right. Because you hit here and fell and you bounced here. So let me see, it looked like another trend line too. So let me duplicate this one, put that here. Extend that one to the right. Boom. So bottom. So we already popped off. We already bounced off the bottoms here. So we're going on up. So that means you'll have room to come up towards this 185-ish mark. About 185 to this trend line here, because you can see where you hit and you fell. So somewhere around this area, I can definitely see this one. If we do, where we at right now? 173. So it got to be another trend line even in this one. I'm trying to figure this out as we go, Queen. Let me see if I can figure out. I can see another trend line here. We got rejected right at this. Yep, right here. It's matching. So let's see. So let's extend it to the right. So we underneath this one at the moment. So let's do this one right now. So let's focus on this channel right at the moment until we break out of it. So let's look at this one real quick. All right, so we got the red one here, and we got the midpoint, which is here, and we got the green line, which is the support here. So it looked like we could be coming back down. So it looked like we already hit this trend line. Boom, we ran all the way on up, got rejected. Like we should be coming back, got room to come back down because you can see right across the board. So anytime you're underneath that trend line, you come down. You get reversed, come down, reverse, come down, reverse, come down. You can see right here, you got room to fall right back to that trend line. So let's play across the board on what we could actually fall back down to though. Because I mean, all your main areas way back down here because you definitely got overextended. Because I don't see no other marks above that level. Because I see this range here. And I see this range here. That's where? 160? Yeah, so right here, 160. So, it looked like you're in a channel. So, it looked like it's in a channel of 160, 180. So, it looked like 160 at the bottom. That'll be your bottom of this channel. That's what it looks like. So 160 should be support. Make that bold. So and then, I mean put that red. I mean to put that green. But let me go ahead and duplicate that while I'm at it anyway. Duplicate, drawing, and do 180. So it looked like a $20 channel that Google is in at the moment. So tops 180, bottoms 160. Put that green. With the mid area possibly of 170, look like that's where it's bouncing at. With the possible area of 170. So that's what it looked like that we in right now. Put that right in the middle. So it looked like we ran up to this 180, came down trying to bounce off of this 170, trying to hold on this top portion of this range here. So from what it looks like, as long as you stay above 170, you have room to rotate back on up. You lose 170, you have room to rotate back on down. So it looked like we are hitting some resistance on Google at the moment, especially underneath this trend line, because you already, like I said, you got rejected. Even though you ran up to 181, you still came back underneath 180 and fell back down towards this 170. So it looked like you're kind of ping-ponging right now. You're channeling in this area here, 180, 170. You have the upper portion of this channel. Because like I said, if you lose 170, you do have room to fall back to 160. Why do I say 160? Because you can see right here, you hit, you fall, you hit, you fall. And what did you get rejected at before? 160 until you broke out of 160. So that area is going to play a major key. So right now, we are in the areas of 170, 180. And we are above this resistance. Underneath this resistance line, because you got like an overhead here. So let's take a look at. Oh, yeah, you definitely gapped up. So on the daily, you definitely gapped up, and you got room to come gap fill on down. So how much higher can Google hold? Let me put this. Let me darken this real quick, and till we break above this key level. So let me see, can I change this to? Trying to see the color I can change it to real quick to kind of make it stand out. I guess black, I don't know, since I'm on this chart, but I know I'm gonna have to change it anyway. So black, still have my line set there, but let me just darken it just a little bit and make that black as well. Boom. Okay, so we can just focus on this trend line on this channel here. So, because it looked like you hit, then you fall, you bounce underneath this trend line here, you fall back down, and you bounce again, and then go back on up. So you are at resistance level right now. So we could be pulling, like we are pulling back because you fell from the 180s back down to the 170. So you already got like somewhat of a $10 pullback already from 180s back down to 170s. So look like we're trying to hold up in this range here from 180, 170. Because if you hold 170 and buyers step back on in, you have room to run back on up towards 180. But if you crack 170, you have room to fall back on down towards the 160s. So let's see how we're looking right now. So my 12-hour chart. All right, so let me close this one out real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Take a look. Yeah, so you gapped up, so you got a gap fill if we don't hold. That's a gap fill on the downside, right? Where that big green candle at, that's what's causing that gap. That's what's causing that gap right here on the daily. That's that green candle. So if you fall underneath 170, you can feel that gap back on down. So that is a possibility if those bears step in and pull it back down. So right now, see how you kind of ping ponging back and forth around the 170s, 180s. I mean, not 180s right now, but let me see right here. I mean, still holding above 170, so you're kind of moving around this little area here, 172. So I wonder if it's moving by twos, even between this range, like 176, 174, 172s. I'm trying to figure it out, team. I'm trying to figure out as best as I can. Yeah, so okay, 182. So it does look like it's trying to move in twos. So 180, 178. Okay, 176. Okay, so it does look like it's moving in twos in a way. So you're trying to hold above 172. Hold above 172, you go up to 174. From 174 to 176. So see, the question is, will it hold after this spike? You know, will it hold up in this high range, or will we pull back down? See, that's the question. So it's kind of like, I mean, we are at a high level, but you do have some resistance overhead. That's the only thing. So it's kind of like I wouldn't be buying at these high levels right now because you are way, way overextended. Way overextended with room to fall back down, which it look like it's trying to pull back down now. I mean, you can clearly see it. So you are coming back down from those highs after that spike. So I wouldn't be buying in these high levels right now because you do have room to fall back down. So I wouldn't be buying. I mean, I'll be short, to be honest. I'll be shorting versus going on calls, especially if you got in around that 180, 180ish mark, you know, and ride it back on down because it's definitely bearish, you know, on a pullback. Because you can see right here we're getting weak, falling underneath 172, going down to the 171s, and again, you got room to fall down to 170. So this looks like more of a pullback moment right now. Then being a Friday engineer. Being a Friday, I mean, I don't think a lot of people are going to be too bullish at this moment. I think it's going to be more of a, you can see it right here. See that downtrend? Even right here, you can clearly see a downtrend set up in a sense. So if you take this line and do this, you can clearly see a downtrend set up. So, yeah, we'll be downtrending. Look like you want to fall back down to this 170. But it does, but at the same time, I mean, it looks like a bull flag setup, but being a Friday, that's what I'm trying to say. We're gonna hold above, stay above 170. Because I mean, again, if you look at it on this 180 chart, it looks like a bull flag pattern. It definitely looks like a bull flag pattern, but you do have some overhead resistance. That's the only thing. And overhead resistance is gonna be at this 180 because you're gonna have to break 180 to get up to those higher levels. See, the only thing that's gonna stop you, even if you was to break out, you'll have to break out of 180. See, 180, you get rejected, you fall back on down. So that's the only issue when you go from 180 down to 170. So that's why I want to see if this upper portion of this channel is going to hold. So we already know that we got rejected at 180, and you're coming back down to 170. Because look where we're at right now, 171. So it's pulling back down slowly to this 170 mark. Now, if they can hold it in channel, you know, like hold this key area and consolidate till Monday, I mean, we could see a possible, you know, reversal back on up. But being on a Friday, I mean, I don't think that people are going to hold for long. And again, if bears do step in heavy, what those bears are going to do, they're going to basically, let me take up all these lines too, and I do apologize for that. See, if those bears step in heavy, they're going to definitely feel that gap back on down. So if the bulls can hold at the 170 level and just stay in this range, you can definitely move back up to 180. But if you crack 170, again, you have room to fill this gap all the way back down to 160. So that's the only concern, because with being a Friday and not knowing, and then on top of that, not knowing what's going to be on the FOMC meeting. We don't know what's going to be on the FOMC meeting, because do remember, FOMC meeting is next week. So that'll be Wednesday, May 1st. So again, we don't know what's going to happen from now till then. So again, what would have to happen from Friday till even up to Wednesday, they will have to consolidate. They will have to hold at certain key level, especially stay above 170, hold up as solid support for the possible pushback on up. But like I said, being a Friday, I mean, bears can come in heavy and pull right back on. Look where we are right now. Look at the price. Look, 170, 170.80. See what I mean? I told you it's gonna pull right back down to 170. So we're coming right back down to this key mark. So, let me keep this line on. I apologize about that. So yeah, definitely keep your eyes peeled at this 170 mark to see if those bulls are gonna hold. So keep your eyes peeled on this, because you definitely want to hold 170. Because if you can hold 170 as a floor, then you can basically rotate while you are in this bull flag like pattern. Rotate yourself back on up from the 170s back up to the 180s. However, if you do crack that 170, you do have room to fill that gap back on down to 160, because that's putting you back underneath that pivot point. So you have, if you look at it from a channel standpoint, and I do apologize about these other lines, you have the tops of 180, you have the bottoms of 160 with the pivot point of 170. So anytime you're above the pivot point, that's support. You have potential to move back on up. Anytime you're below the pivot point, you have the opportunity to move back on down, because now that turns into resistance. So keep your eyes peeled on this 170 level, Queen, to see if 170 can hold. Like I said, if 170 can hold as a floor, it can slowly move its way back on up, buy your step in and push it back on up. However, if we crack 170, we'll slowly start to come back on down into the 160s. So yeah, no problem, Queen. But yeah, just keep your eyes peeled on that 170 level for sure. All right, let's see. Back on mines. Yep. Still, see, that's what I told y'all. I was expecting it. I told you what was gonna happen. We bounce off that trend line. Boom. Let that bad boy run on up. Again, I should have jumped in. I should have on the call. I should have jumped in on the call, but I was expecting that was gonna happen, because we already bounced off that green trend line already. So now I was gonna rotate back up this way. So that's why I was anticipating that we was gonna come back this way. Yeah, I know SPY going up. See, it's bouncing off of my trend line. So that's why I said I'm going to just let it rotate back on up. See how high we can push, up to the 510s, to possibly up to the 514-ish area. So let it keep running. Let it keep running. And I knew that was going to happen. When I seen that lower shadow the other day, when I seen that, I said, oh yeah, it's setting itself up for like a reversal back up this way. So that's why I'm just sitting on my hands right now. I'm not jumping in no puts at this moment. Hell to the no. Like I said, you're gonna be testing that 510 area up to the 5. It's because you gotta remember, SPY likes to move by twos. So we already passed up 506, 508. Well, we're at 508 now. So 508.50, we definitely gotta break 508.50, because that's gonna play a major key. 508.52. We gotta stay above 508.50, because that is a major key in as far as SPY, because 508.50 can act as support and resistance, because that has happened before where we did bounce off of 508.50 and went on a spike. So 508.50, you can see we're getting rejected around 508.50 now. You can see the price is going underneath 508.50. So that has to break above 508.50. You get above that mark, you got room to run to 510. From 510, you got room to run up to 512. From 512 up to 514. So let's see what happens at this 508.50 mark. So let me draw a line at 508.50, because that's going to be resistance. I can tell you that right now, until we break above it. So I can guarantee you, because I know that number by heart. Trust me, I know that number definitely by heart. 508.50, and as you can see, boom, 508.50. As I stated, where we got rejected at yesterday, 508.50, 508.50. Where we came up to, 508.50. So I mean, the more, like I said, that's the reason why I like messing with, I like doing SPY, because you start to remember those numbers. And I can go back across the board and show you on why and how I know this. So let's go back across the board. Let's extend this to the left side. Might have to go back this way. Let me go back on my chart. Boom, boom, boom. Detach. Because I remember 508 specifically. That's why. Because that's when we had that spike right before Jerome Powell spoke and the market went on that run. I remember 508 specifically, and I think that was right here, 508.50. See that line? Came down, 508.50, strong support, boom. Can actually turn into what? Resistance. So you come back this way, boom, 508.50, resistance. So you have to break above 508.50 to get up to the next key level of 510, 512, up to possibly 514. So I want to see it continuously rotate all the way back up to this bad boy. So I'll be patient and wait, but I know 508.50 is going to definitely be a little challenging right now, because like I said, if we go back into the past, I even put it in white to separate it from all other lines. So I'll put it in white so you can clearly see it. 508.50, go back across the board, and you can see right here, 508.50, bounce, 508.50, bounce, 508.50, bounce. Underneath, 508.50, resistance. Till you get back above it, bounce, bounce, bounce. So old resistance can turn into what? Possible, old support can turn into resistance. But if we break above it, now that's going to turn into support. So right now it's challenges, trying to push to get back on top of where? 508.50. You can see the challenge right here. Look at my numbers move. 508.40, 508.30. See how it's trying to break 508.50? It's trying its hardest to get above where? 508.50. So if we break above 508.50, do expect a push to up to 510, possibly 512, right here where my 50 is at. So I can't see a actual push to this level if we break. Look what we broke above 508.50. See, 508.50. See it, 508.50. Let's see if it's gonna hold. If it holds, it's gonna run up. Boom, 508.60. 508.60. Let's see. Keep your eyes peeled. 508.60. 508.60. See if we're gonna go to 508.70. 508. Come on. Still trying to battle around 508.50. Still trying to battle. Yep. Let's see if we're gonna hold. Can we hold it? Can those buys hold it? Let's look on the 3-minute time frame too, so you can see it. So you can see it clearly right here on the 3-minute time frame. So 508.50. Cause I'm just used to these numbers. I'm used to these prices. Cause you see them. I mean, you just remember them. So 508.50 is trying to hold. It's AK, shut up. Oh, you starting to act like active now. You really starting to act like active. Active be acting like he don't be bragging. Active, and you know that too, AK. Active love to brag, and he act like he don't be claiming, I don't be bragging. Yeah, you do. Cause you always gotta be right. You always gotta have the last word. You always gotta be right. I say, dude, don't start turning into active, AK. Don't do that. Don't do that, man. I got faith in you. Don't do that. Active 47. Active 47. That's what that A stand for. That's what A in AK. Active K47. Nah, I'm messing with you, bro. Shout out to you, man. But yeah, like I said, you stay above 508.50, you got room to run up to 510. So just keep that on watch. You can still see we got some strong bullish candles right now for a possible strong push on up. So it is definitely meant for calls right now. It is definitely a call opportunity for a push. Definitely ride. Go with the momentum right now. Right now it's definitely bullish. Let it ride on up. Like I said, all we doing is rotating from the green all the way up possibly to the red. So you definitely got bullish momentum at the moment. Let it push. I mean, like I said, I could have got in, but I was getting out of my swing trade, so I could have set myself up a long time ago. But it is what it is. So I'm not about to chase it, especially off of the VWAP. No, you know how I am with VWAP. If it's overextended off of that, I am not chasing. Let's see if the max pain changed though on the on SPY for today. Did the max pain change, or is it still set for 50? What it was 503, 504, something like that? Max pain. Let's see. Where we at right now? All right, so we still at 503. Still at 503 max pain, and next week's max pain. Well, not next. Yeah, next week's gonna be at 502. So that means you got room to rotate back down to these bad boys. So I'm gonna just keep letting it spike. So I'm good with that. Let me go ahead and play some music for my team real quick too. Let me go into my little playlist. I ain't gonna lie, I did what AK said, download those songs into my whatchamacallit, man. But I got tired of keep trying to, man, it took too long. Cause it doesn't load like in a list. You gotta download them individually. After I did that, I was like, nope. I'd rather just use the YouTube playlist. That take too long. I was getting so bored, man. I was like, nah, I'm good. I couldn't do it. I'll do it for the weekend, but I was not doing that right now. I'm good. So we'll just play our regular songs on YouTube. We good. All right, let's keep it on watch, team. So as you can see, 508.50 is holding. Let that bad boy run. You got room to run up to this 510 mark. From 510 up to this 512. If we do get that push further on up, we got to run up to this 514. So definitely keep your eyes peeled. Let's see how far we're going to run. So I'm going to say let it run. Let it run. Or, like I said, if you're on a call, ride the momentum, team. How many are on a call right now? How many are on the call right now? If you're on the call, shout out to y'all. Ride the momentum on up. Ride the wave. Ride it on up. Nothing wrong with that. Let it push. Because you do have room to still keep going. can pull up to this 50 like a magnet. Let it keep pushing. Let it keep pushing. So how many of you guys are on the call right now? It's called small con. What was the entry, Queen? What you got in at? What was your entry? See, the best entry was around that VWAP, around at 507. You had a good entry here. 507, right off this, like I said, off this bounce, this VWAP bounce, and you could just roll it on up. You would have had a great entry. Cause me personally, I like to get anywhere where that VWAP is, where support is, and just ride that bad boy on up. So, oh, good God, girl. Let's see it. Let's hope it holds. Like I said, just make sure that 50850 holds. As long as 50850 holds, you good. Cause like I said, I don't like entering too high, where off of that VWAP where you got room to fall back down. That's the only thing I don't like about that. So as long as 50850 hold, you good. I just don't like entering, and as long as that V is like that, if the VWAP was to move up to that area, I'd be cool. But the VWAP still way down here, so I'm like, can't do it. But I mean, you riding it. So far so good, you good. Cause you up like what, 40 cents almost 60. I mean not 60, almost 50 cents. So let's see if we hold this 50850 level. See if we continuously hold 50850. 50850 holds, you good. You good. Keep letting it run on up. Yeah, I just don't like getting at these highs, like too high. They kind of make me a little paranoid. Cause I mean it's getting overextended. That's the only reason why. So far so good, you good. You good right now. You good right now. As long as 50850 holds, that's your main concern, Queen. That's gonna be your stop loss. 50850. Long as that holds, ride it. Ride it on up. As long as 50850 holds and it stays away from 50850, let it ride. Yeah, you're gonna get some little pullbacks here and there because you're going up to a new whole number. You're going up to 509. So you're gonna get a little bit of pullback. So once those buys move in, you break above 509, then 905, then 509.50. From 509.50 up to 510. I mean 510. So again, your main focus, 508.50. As long as that holds, you good. So again, you're gonna get a little pullback because you're going up to a new whole number, 509. So let's see if it holds. That's why I told you I don't like buying up to the tops. That's why I say too, because you got this little. That's the only thing that'd be a little risky. Too high. I would look at SMCI, but they've been playing with my emotions. Matter of fact, let me look at it real quick. How is SMCI looking? Since it's been playing with my emotions. Wait, how you close for? Wait, where's it? Well, I gotta go back to SPY. I said, how you close for a loss? Where's SPY right now? Wait, how you took a loss? You got in at 5? Wait, it's at 508.70. How you took a loss? That don't make sense. How you took a loss if you got in at 855? You should have been up still. Man, I'm like, should I do it? Should I try to go for it again? Or should I not? I'm trying to think. Should I go for another put on this one? For another possible opportunity? Cause oops. Let me see. Should I do it? I'm thinking. 860. AK, what you think, boss? You think I should, because we are getting around some resistance on SMCI. Matter of fact, what's the max pain on that bad boy? What's the max pain on SMCI? Max pain on SMCI is, so that's 26, 780. So 780 is way back this way, and the other max pain is 800. So so it bounced off of what, 780? So said max pain is 780. So did it bounce off of 780? No, 780 way down here. So bounce, bounce, bounce. And y'all going all the way back up to this top, around 860. I know, I'm thinking about gearing up for a put. Well, the reason why I'm calling a put, Queen, because we're going back up to resistance. It's hitting my trend line. That's the only reason why I'm saying this. Because if you notice, we rotate every time you hit that red trend line. See that? You hit, you fall, you hit, you fall. And look where we at. We're going right back up to that area. So I'm like, we all running back up to that bad boy. Because last time you got overextended off of it, you fell. And we are hitting that trend line almost right there. So 860, look, yeah, well, no, 860. Because you can see right here across the board, 860 bounce, 860 bounce. So old support can turn into resistance. So where we at right now? 842. Let me check out the contracts. Let me see the contracts real quick. Hold up. Let me check out the contracts on SMCI. I mean, I know I should still be watching SPY. I know I should, because that's like my main stock. Let me see. Let me see how the contracts look on this bad boy. When is the should I do one for nah. Let me see. Puts. Let me just see. Let me see real quick. I want to see the puts on these real quick. Let me see how the volume is on these. Let me check it out real quick. Let me check it out. Damn, it's the only. When is the next one? Okay, May 3rd. So let me see. God damn, I knew that was gonna be expensive. I knew it was gonna be expensive. I knew it. So let me see if I can find some cheap contracts. God, dog, they expensive. I'm trying to find one with some good volume, but good lord, they expensive. Goodness. God, they expensive. Damn, I see one that's sitting. No, I want that one. Damn, one at $20. Let me see. They so dotted. And I mean, we're going right up to it too, right at 860. Ooh, I'm trying to find a good one. If I can find a good contract, because I want to use a. I'm trying to debate if I want to use the same day contract or if I want to use a. All right, this one don't look bad. 780. I want to see if we're gonna get that 860 mark. I want to see if we're gonna get that push up to 860. Because I mean, if you go across the board, engineer, 860 is bounce. Bounce, you can clearly see right here. 860 is gonna be possible strong resistance. So I want to see if we're gonna get that push all the way up to 860. I want to see if we're gonna get that push all the way up. I want to see what's gonna happen if we get that push. I don't want to get in too early. I want to see that push continue. So $20 more. Matter of fact, you already know what I'm about to do. Marty, you already know what I'm about to do. Let me set my alert. You already know what I'm about to do. Set my alert, just in case. I'm set at 850, so let me know it's crossing. All right. I mean, I'm just letting everything get overextended right now, Queen. For the possible pullback. Because it's not going to go up forever. You're going to get pullbacks. I'm keep it right here. So just in case you do hit it, and we go up to these levels. So 860. And where's this high? Where's that 50 at? 50 is at what? 923. It might go all the way up to this. That's all the way to 900. It's like 923. If we do go, if we were to pull all the way up to this damn. So 860, 900 to this mark here. I'm gonna wait till we get up. I'm gonna figure it out as we get up higher, cause I wanna see how high this bad boy gonna push. So I'm gonna extend my contract out to the 3rd. So I'm gonna wait till we get higher, 860. See if we go up to towards this 900, all the way up to this this bad boy here. I want them as high as I can for the possible rotation. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna jump in just yet. Because you can see last time we broke out of this, we ran all the way up to that 50, then got rejected and came back underneath. So I don't know if we're going to get rejected right at my trend line, or we're going to break all the way out to this 50. The 50 is not all the way until 923. Because you see, that's what happened last time. You broke out above my trend line and then got rejected at my 50, then came back on down. So I want to see if we're going to break out and get rejected at the at my trend line, or will we break above it and test that 50 again. So, should I wait till 900? Should I wait till 900? For a possible push to 900, man, go get you closer and closer to that my 50, and even at 900. So should I wait till closer to 900, then go for it? Cause I caught this one. See, I caught this one last time. We did that. I caught that boy at the very top. Now, the only thing I didn't do, I can admit, I got out at the trend line because I thought we was gonna do a trend line bounce. Had I would have held, that's the one I could have made $27,000 on. Had I would have held it underneath the trend line and rolled that bad boy down, I would have made $20,000. I got in here, but I got out at the trend line because I didn't know if it was gonna bounce or not. So, that could be the second. Wait, hold up. That could be that getting ready for the second leg down. We do like a 2-legged pullback. So I wonder if you bounce, that's one leg, and if you hit and then go down for a second leg. Oh yeah, because we never touched that green line yet. There might be that second. Well, let me show you what I'm talking about, team. It might be a 2-legged pullback. Probably. I'm not saying. Don't quote me on that. I'm just saying might. So what I mean by that, you got one leg here, and then go down for a second leg here when you do this. I wonder if it set this up for a 2-legged pullback. Maybe. It's gonna be a little. I'm gonna figure this out because that look like a 2-legged pullback setup almost. I'm debating, Tim. I'm just trying to figure out. Damn, that look like a 2-legged pullback setup. I swear it do. Because there would be a 2-legged pullback. Because that's one leg right here. And you hit. Because you remember, we never touched that green line yet. We touched it here. And we touched it here. But we never came down to rotate fully back down this way. On that green trend line. So that will give you room to fall back down. Alright. Let me figure this out. I could be getting in for another put opportunity on this. Let's see. Where we at on NVIDIA? NVIDIA already passed it. NVIDIA already hitting up towards the 50. So I wonder if...
May be harder to get to the 50 moving average with having to break the trend line and the 860 resistance.
Well, SMCI is going to do exactly what NVIDIA does. See, NVIDIA is already breaking above that trend line. Look right here. So I wonder if we're gonna start turning now, and that's gonna affect SMCI. Cause see, we already are breaking above it. See that? You hit, you fall, you hit, you fall, and look where we are right now, breaking above that trend line and hitting that 50. So I wonder if, see, that's what I wonder if So I wonder if NVIDIA gonna start reversing. Cause look where we at. Right at my red trend line and hitting that 50. So you got overhead resistance and your 9 EMA is still at the bottom. I mean that's definitely a setup for a pullback. And even on NVIDIA, we haven't came back all the way down to this green line. So we haven't even reversed all the way back down completely. Huh. And we are testing right now. We testing that bad boy. Huh. NVIDIA's already touching it, so that's the $1 million question. I wonder if NVIDIA gonna do like here. You hit, you fall. You hit, you fall. And look where it's testing that already. So I wonder if it's setting itself up for a possible, because right now, remember, this candle doesn't close out till 1, right? So I wonder if we close back underneath. Like, we still have a green candle, but I wonder if that top portion of that body is gonna close underneath, where that other 1 o'clock candle comes in and starts to come back this way. You know, hit, and then that second candle comes in and we come back down, because that does look like it's getting weak and falling right back under that trend line again. Look at the candle. Oh, so that means if that start to fall already, that means SMCI gonna start to fall. Ah, you bastard. Oh, you bastard. Ah, damn it. Ah, I seen it on the video. Ah, shoot, I seen it. It is getting rejected. It might be setting itself up for that 2-legged pullback. Oh, man. Shoot. So NVIDIA is going to look like it's going to get rejected at that mark. See, look, it's falling right back under that trend line, that green trend line. I mean, that red one. So if that's falling, that means SMCI is going to do the same exact thing. Ah, and it's doing it already. Shoot. Ah, damn it. Crap. Ah, let me see. All right, let me take my time. Because it looked like it's setting up to do that. And if I go back, look. SMCI's today's max pain is 780. So you look like you got room to fall back down to 780, and the other one's at 800. We'll see where we at right now. 830. And you got room to fall back down. So 780 isn't all the way back down till here. Man, this is gonna be a little tough here. And I mean, you are getting rejected underneath that trend line perfectly. Like, everything is perfect. And let me see. What was NVIDIA's? Hold on, let me go to NVIDIA real quick. What was NVIDIA's? NVIDIA is what? What's the max pain on NVIDIA? 815. Oh, we broke. Oh, so we could fall back down. Where we at right now? So it could fall back down to 815, huh? So 815 is the max. Is the max pain. So you do have room to fall back down to 18. Let me see. Is that NVIDIA? Oh yeah, you way overextended. And I mean, you hitting that trend line so freaking perfect. And look, and I mean, it look like it's doing it now. Right at that red trend line, son of a. Damn it. God dog it. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna keep it on watch, because I mean, you are getting that upper shadow right there at my trend line. Upper shadow right at my trend line. And they say, what was the max? It was 815? 815. That's all the way back down, though. Ooh, man, hold up, wait a minute. Oh, man, hold up. And we get rejected on my trend line on my SMCI too. Oh, man, hold up, man. Now this thing got me. This is tough. This is tough. Team, this is tough. like you want to start pulling already. Shit. And we underneath my trend line too. I just want to keep it on watch. Let me see what it's gonna close at. Cause I wonder about. Cause I don't want to jump the gun too early. I'm like, I wonder we push in, but still close underneath that trend line, and then the next 1 o'clock candle opens up right at it in reverse. Man, this is difficult. This is a little tough, man. I'm right at a tough spot right now. Man, this is tough. This is tough. Because I wonder if we're going to stay underneath that red trend line because, because last time we broke above it, then got rejected and came back underneath it. But I wonder if this time, if we're going to stay underneath it and come back down. That's tough. It's tough, man. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. All right. Come on, Jay. Figure this out. Okay, what we going to do? What we going to do? I want to make sure I got a good contract if I do jump in this bad boy. I mean, it got good volume. It just I gotta see what this I gotta see what this delta. If the delta gonna move. A delta kind of suck, but I mean delta like at a 9. I don't like that. The rest of them is like too high though. What about this one at $13? This delta is at what? Delta's at 15. That's not bad. Just the volume a little weak though. Let me see. Let me check this one out. Okay, don't look bad. Okay. This don't look too bad. I mean, we're right at a crucial area, man. I mean, literally right at a crucial area, right at my trend line. Because you can see every time we hit that trend line, we fall. You see that? You go across the board, look at that. Trend line, fall, trend line, fall, trend line, fall, trend line, fall. And we right here. Man, it's tough, team. I'm like, I wonder if I can get like, I was anticipating 860. Because I didn't want to jump the gun. I'm like, I wonder if we come up to 860 because 860 makes sense. Because 860, you can see right here, strong support, bounce. 860, bounce. 860, bounce. We haven't touched 860 yet. So that's why I was anticipating. I'm like, I wonder if we gonna go up to 860. But the furthest we came was like 840? We came up to 840. So we're like $20 away from this bad boy. So that's the reason why I didn't want to jump the gun. So I'm like, okay, if we go up to 840, if we go to 860, I can catch 860. So I don't want to jump in too early. If we do get a $20 push. Because again, if you go across the board, 860 makes a lot more sense. Where you bounce, you know, old support can turn into new resistance. You know, so if we do catch an extra push, I can catch 860. So right now, 840 hold. So I'm anticipating to see if we're gonna try to get a push to 860. Because again, I don't want to jump the gun, team. I don't want to jump in too early at 840 and it runs up to 860. I want to catch 860 and then possibly return, you know, then reverse back on down. But we haven't got to 860 yet. I'm like, but it looked like it's turned, like getting a little weak already at 840. That's the only issue that's driving me crazy right now. Because I know it want to push. I know it do. Because I know it want to push past 840 and go up to 860. That's why I don't want to jump the gun real quick. I want to wait to see if we get it, which is why I got my alert set right here at 850. So if I take my eyes off on it and my alarm goes off, it's telling me it's still trying to push to 860. This is going to be... But it's like, at the same time, it's making me iffy because I don't want to miss it. Because I'm like, okay, what about if we do turn at 840 and go down? Like, this is just... Oh, man. And look what it's doing at 840. Oh my God! It's like it's just making me go crazy right now. This is driving me crazy. Cause it's like, what if I'm missing it, and we actually reversing at 840 instead of 860? Man, oh God! Look what it's doing. This is difficult. Team, I'm trying. I'm not trying to jump the gun. I'm really trying to just debate here. God, this is the most difficult decision right now. Most difficult decision. What you said, Queen? What you got? I'm sorry, I missed it. Yeah, I was thinking. Well, yeah, I was thinking the same thing with. No, I haven't jumped back in yet, Marty. I'm anticipating to see if we're gonna run up to 860. Yeah, I agree with you too, Queen. I was thinking that Nvidia was gonna go up to 880 too. That's the same thing I was thinking. I was thinking 880. I was thinking the same exact thing that was gonna push up to 880 up here. So if we push up to 880, that's gonna give SMCI is 860. So we do get that push. to 880. That'll make SMCI go up to 860. So I can't wait to see if Nvidia's gonna do it. So we bounce and run up to 880, like that last push up here. So, man, I mean, we are really right here at my trend line, like at the crucial area in Nvidia right now, very crucial area, and I just don't want to miss it. So I hope Nvidia goes back up to at least 880, without before the drop, because I see a drop coming. Man, this is tough. God, this is tough. Where we at right now? We bounce. God dog it. So again, if Nvidia goes up, it's gonna help push SMCI. So I want to really wait to see if we're gonna get that 860 push. I really want to wait. But if I miss it, I'm gonna lose my freaking mind. I mean, we right underneath my trend line. That's the crazy part. We like literally underneath it, like for a possible reversal. Because you can see every time we hit that trend line, we get rejected every single time. The only time we caught that breakout was here. We went on that spike, but then we fell right back under where? My trend line. And look where we at. My trend line. Ooh, this is... God, this is really stressing me out right now. You know what? I'm going to focus on SPY right now. Let me focus on SPY. I'm going to focus on SPY to kind of get my mind off on it so I don't stress out. So for SPY, if I jump in on SPY, I want SPY to run up here, which would be around... Where we at right now? It'd be about 512-ish. 512, 514. Run up to this, because even on my SPY chart, hit, fall, hit, fall, hit, fall. So I'm anticipating that we run back on here up towards the 512, 514-ish mark, and we come back on down. So I'm anticipating on the SPY I can do that too. So one of them got to give. Nvidia, SMCI, and SPY. One of them got to give. One of them got to give me my opportunity. One of them, man. And we like Nvidia and SMCI is already at crucial levels. SPY hasn't hit the crucial level just yet. You still got room to run up. So that still has time to run. But however, Nvidia and SMCI is right at a crucial area, and it is driving me crazy right now. I mean, both. So I already got my, matter of fact, for Nvidia, this is what I'm gonna do. So for Nvidia, I'm gonna set it at 780. 870. So if we do break that, I'm gonna set my alert. I'm gonna set my alert. So I don't stress myself out. I'm gonna set my alert. 780, so that let me know that we move it back on up. So I'm gonna do that for Nvidia too. So one of these alerts gotta go off. One of them gotta go off. So I set up one alert for SMCI and I set another alert for Nvidia. Alright, so 870 for Nvidia, 850 for SMCI, and for SPY, I would say 510. So I'm gonna set an alert at 510. 510 to be my alert for SPY to let me know it's moving back up. So I'm gonna set all my alerts. I'm gonna have all my alerts set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back down. And 5, 10. Alright, that'll be for SPY. So just in case it spikes back on up. Alright, cool. So I got my alerts set for all of them. So something gotta give. Something gonna trigger. I don't know which one. One of them gotta give. It look like Nvidia about to push to my mark. Look where we at right now. Well, where we at? 865. So $5 more. That's gonna trigger off my alert for Nvidia. I think Nvidia might hit first, cause it's only $5 away from my mark. All right, so I'm gonna keep it on watch team. I'm watching all of them, cause I'm gonna nail one of these. I'm telling you, I'm going for one of these trades, whether it's SPY, whether it's Nvidia, whether I don't do Nvidia, whether it's SMCI. One of them got it. Shut up, Nuno and Marty. Don't you judge me.
Forever Low says, Big Friday Ion.
What's up, boss man? I see you in the building. Shout out to you. Yeah, Big Friday. So I'm waiting on my SPY starting to reverse underneath 508.50. So what SPY is that on my level? I don't think SPY gonna fall just yet, cause you still got room to run this way. The only way I can see a complete failure if we get back under this trend line.
Mad tired, I'm working but on images.
Man, get your rest, boss. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, do what you gotta do. I'm just waiting on my trade. Oh, hey, Forever Whoa, look at my wins. I'm up 38 now. I made another trade. I'm up 30. I'm up 38. 38 wins. 38 wins. Girl, y'all gonna stop judging me. Isn't that forming a bull flag on Nvidia? Oh, you talking about on my 3-minute?
Missed it.
Yeah, I got out this morning. So 38 wins. Let's see. I see what you see, J Beans. I see exactly what you see. But see, the main overhead resistance that we do have on Nvidia will be 880 up to 900. Because you can see right here where you get rejected. Right here. But I was thinking 880 as well. Because 880, why was I calling 880 before? I know you bounced off of 880 in a sense. Yeah, 880. So we do have room to run up right here. You can see right here, like 880, you fall. See that? 880. So that's why I was anticipating. Well, I wonder if we're gonna push to that. If we're gonna still have enough room, because we already got rejected at 880. So that's See, we already hit 880 already. So I wonder if we're gonna go a little bit lower underneath 880. So what would be the next resistance if we don't go all the way up to 880? So what would be the next opportunity? Right where it's at. Right here with this old resistance mark. If you go across the board, right where it's struggling at. That's what? That's 860. Around the 865-ish level. Yeah, see where the body's getting pushed back down? So if you look at this candle here and go across the board, it's right where it's at, right where it's getting pulled back. So right around this 865-ish mark. Ah, shoot, did I miss it? Did we miss it? I think we may have missed it. I think. Right at that, yep, because it looks like it's getting weaker still. I mean, right where my alert line is, but if you look at this candle here, that red candle, go across the board. Watch. Go across the board here, this red candle, watch. Go around about 865. See? Now go across. Look where it's struggling at. Right at that level. Right where that old red candle is. Go across. And that's where you're struggling at, right here. So I wonder if that's it. Let's see. Crap. Oh, man, I hope I ain't miss it. Yep, right across the board. That old red candle here. Because, matter of fact, look, support. You bounced off that line. Look, bounce, bounce, bounce. Resistance can be what? I mean, support can be what? Resistance. Ah, shoot. I hope we ain't miss it. Because I see it now. It's underneath, like, around that 865-ish mark. Like, right there. Ah, shoot. Don't tell me I missed it. Ah, damn. I think I did. Crap. Oh, man. Let me see. Because it is getting a little weak. Right under that line I just put. Because what made me notice that, I noticed that red candle. And I went across the board. And then I started to go, like, as I was going right, it started to make sense. Because you bounce. Right on that white line. You bounce. So old resistance can turn into, old support can turn into new resistance. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled, man. This is. Are we going? Is this it? 865? Will that be it? Will that be the turnaround, or will we break above 865? I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on it. I ain't jumping the gun yet. I'm just trying to figure it out as we go. So around this 865-ish level, I know it's trying to get back up to 865, but. To be fair, SMCI only got to 145, so I got to still, wait, you see, I still had room to run up before the clear. So I'm keeping on watch. Like I said, I haven't jumped the gun yet, but I know we are around this crucial area because you are breaking above my trend line, but the only thing above your head is that 50. So it's resistance somewhere along this line because something's gonna allow it to push it back down. So I'm trying to figure out exactly where it's at, but we are around a crucial area. Definitely around a crucial area. So I'm trying to figure out where it is exactly. So this is a crucial area. See, SMCI, see what I mean? Ah, man. Because I already would have been up $10 already on this play. God damn. And I can show you my contract. So the lowest my contract went was $14, and it is already trying to move back up to $15 already. So I was already catching somewhat of a bounce, slowly. I was trying to catch these bottoms and just see if it's gonna drop. So let's see if we're gonna pull back down. I'm just carefully watching it, All right, we're trying to push back up. Let's see, because I'm debating on SMCI is if the 840 is gonna be it, or will it still try to run to 860? Oh man, I'm at a crucial area right here, team. I'm at a crucial area, crucial area. All right, here we go, trying to push again. Matter of fact, let me look on the 30-minute. Is the indicators? All right, the indicator's still looking strong. So 30 minutes. No crossovers yet. I mean, everything's still holding up. So yeah, the 9 EMA still up. So no crossovers just yet. 9 EMA still up on my 3 minutes. So that's still up. That 50 hasn't moved up yet. So I'm still showing upside. Because again, your 9 EMA has not crossed over. Your 9 EMA is still pushing up this way. So we may still get that 860 push. So no crossovers just yet. So I guess I don't have nothing to worry about now. So I'm still sitting on my hands. So nothing yet. Still early to determine it. The hell? Oh, I went to the wrong thing. What we looking like on SPY? What's SPY doing? I think still SPY got some room to push still too. Still think we're gonna push up to that 510, 512. I still think we're gonna push up. So I'm not jumping the gun on that one either. So I'm still sitting on my hands and wait. So I still think we got room to still push. Because everything is still going this way. So I still think we got room to still push. So I'm aiming for at least, I want at least 512, 514 if we can get it. Because that's going to still put me towards this line here. So 512, 514. So I'm still anticipating that. So something going to go off, team. Like I said, one of my alerts going to go off. I got NVDA, I got SPY, and I got SMCI. One of my alerts is going to go off. Because we back underneath 508.50 on SPY. Back underneath 508.50. How we looking on this bad boy? Back underneath here. So 508.50. We still haven't broken above yet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, do what I want to. I mean, it's for calls because it's pushing up. So I mean, it be pushing up, but I'm aiming for puts because I want it to go as high as it can so I can start to short it. But nothing has triggered my alarm just yet. Nothing has triggered it yet. So we haven't broken above any levels just yet. No excuses. I want everyone green. I already got my first green already, boss. I did a swing trade on SPY for the pullback down. So I went in here. I got in. What did I get in at yesterday? Got in yesterday. How high did we go? How high would we pop? I caught damn near the very tops. And I got out around, what, a 6 on the pullback? Yeah, so I got in green. So that put me up to 38 wins. So I'm aiming for my next one. So right now, sideways right around that 850 level. So SPY is sideways right now, around 508 and 509. So it's kind of ping-ponging back and forth. So you're in a dollar channel at this moment, 508, 509, 508. With 508.50 being the middle. So we going sideways with SPY right now. So I'm not worried about SPY at the moment, since SPY is sideways. So let me focus on NVIDIA and them then. Let's see what we're doing. Sideways with NVIDIA as well. So because we still around that 865 level. So we're going sideways on that one. But it's trying to push. So I think NVIDIA can go back up to that 880. And I think SMCI can go back up towards 860. So I still think got room to still run up before we do catch a little pullback. So I think we're gonna still push up. So I'm still keeping on watch. Cause I'm not chasing. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting on the right setup. Yeah, I'm watching the video right now. It hasn't triggered my alert just yet, Queen. It looked like it want to, but we haven't pushed up to it yet. So I'm still anticipating 880, around this 880ish mark. I don't think we're gonna go up to no 900 though. I don't think. I think 880 may be the closest to 900 that we may get. Because we already got rejected around 900 and failed. See, your next area, like especially if we're doing a downtrend, the next area would be 880. Because you're kind of moving down like in a downtrend. So 900, you lost 900. The next area would be close to 880. Or if not, it may come back down to 860. One of these two. Because it's going to continue a downtrend. So either 880 or it's going to go back down to 860. One of these two. So now we're still pushing. Still trying to push. So it might be 880. Alright, so SMCI should be going back up then. Alright, Nvidia pushing up. Nvidia pushing up, team. So it's about to trigger off my alarm in about $3 more. Alright, so Nvidia's moving up for sure. So I see Nvidia moving. Trying to get back up to 870. I see that for sure. And it's about to trigger off. So Nvidia about to be the first. Look like it's about to be the first to trigger off my alert. So get ready for that noise. You're about to hear it in about $2 more. You about to hear Nvidia. Nvidia about to go off. Let's see if we get that push up to 870. So that means we get up to 870. You're only $10 away from 880. You're only $10 away from 880. So let's see if we get that push. So that means SMCI should be moving up then. Alright. So 860 I still got in mind. Yeah, there we go, pushing. So I still think we're gonna have room to still push this way. Alright, so it's a good thing I waited. Okay. Gotta be patient, gotta be patient, gotta be patient. So let me see where we at now. Where we at? On Nvidia. Up, alarm by the trigger. Here we go. Nvidia about to go off, team. Nvidia about the trigger. Here we go, here we go. We about to hit it. Come on, Nvidia. You about to hit it. You about to hit it. It's about to go off. My alert about to go off. SPY not too far from it either, because SPY almost at the 509s. That'd be something that if I put on all of them and catch every single one. Whoo, that'd be a murder massacre there, wouldn't it? If I catch every single one. Come on, Nvidia. I know you want to push. Go ahead and push. Push, 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 push. Because I know you want to trigger my alarm. Because you're right there. 870. 870. Come on. Come on. Push. 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 Hit that line. Hit it. Hit it. Trigger it. Trigger it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. It's right there. It's right there, team. Ah! Ah! Dude, it literally touched it and came back down. Come on, Nvidia. Come on, Nvidia. Come on, come on, come on. Push, 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 push. It was like right there underneath my line. About to set off my alarm. All right, come on, come on. Push, 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 push. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Trigger, trigger it. You right there. Do it, damn it. It's like literally underneath my alarm. It hasn't crossed it yet. So 870 we know for sure it's trying to hold up as resistance. We know for sure because it's not even touching my alarm yet. I think we about to hit it. We're about to hit it now. I think we about to get it. I think we about to get it. Dude. Nvidia, come on, man. You like right underneath my yellow line. Well, it's like literally right underneath it. It was about to do it. Damn, so is 870 going? It can't be 870, man. I know it can't be 870. It's just like $10 away from 880. It's just, come on, man. I know that's not it. I know 870 not it. Come on, Nvidia. I know you want to push. I know you want to push up. I know you want to push up. You still got some more gas in the tank, man. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push. I know 870 not about to be it. I know better. And you came up that high and not touched 880? So you really gonna try to go back to 860? I'm watching it with y'all, team. I'm just trying to see, because if we lose 870 going back in 860, so it might be 860 instead of 880. It may just be 860. If you fall back down underneath this trend line, it's gonna be 860. So is 860 gonna really be it, or are we gonna test that 880 mark? I mean, it was right underneath. It was about to trigger my alert, and it just came right back down. So are we going? So where we at right now? See, SMCI still trying to hold. Still trying to hold. So we haven't cracked just yet. Man, I was aiming for 860, man. Like I wanted it. I wanted it right at my target, 860. We haven't gotten it. So I guess 860 might be it. Back on down towards that 860 range, where you're gonna have a long upper shadow, back on down. If it would continuously fall, because it's gonna push that body down. It's gonna push the body down right underneath that trend line. If we stay underneath 870. If we lose 870, it's gonna push it back down to 860. If we don't get that push. So therefore, it will put that body underneath that trend line. I'm just trying to figure out what it's gonna do. Cause I want that put, man. I'm trying to go for it, Tim. I'm just trying to see where the actual top is at. I was like I said, me and the engineer was thinking 880. We both thinking 880. I was thinking the same exact thing, 880. Cause you already tested 900. So the next area would be 880. Then 860, and then you start trending down. Look at the there he go. SPY squeezing above 9. It didn't trigger my alarm yet though. See, even SPY, it hasn't triggered my alarm yet. If it triggers my alarm, we still got room to run this way. So I'm waiting on all of them. I got my alarm set for SMCI. I got it right here. I got my alarm up here. Nvidia, I got my alarm sitting like right there. So I'm just waiting. It looked like it was gonna do it the first time, then the second time. Let's see if we're gonna get it for a third time. Is it gonna touch my alarm for the third time? Third time's the charm. Can we hit it? Or was 870 be it? Are we gonna get to push the 870 and above? I mean, again, I was targeting 880 for Nvidia. SMCI was targeting 860. For SPY, I was targeting 512, 514. One of them got to trigger off my alarms, team. One of them. I mean, Nvidia's about the closest. Shit, SPY might be next, because my alert is at 510. So one more dollar for SPY is gonna trigger my alert. Oh, I think I'm about to get it. There it is. There it is. I was waiting on it. There we go. I knew Nvidia was gonna be first. That's why I kept watching it. Say Nvidia look like it's close. Now we pushing. All right. So that means SMCI should be rolling back on up too. All right, here we go. All right, come on. Give me that push I need. Give me that push. Keep pushing. I'm looking at 860. I'm looking at 860 on SMCI. Nvidia, I'm looking at 880. And we are pushing. There we go. So around 880, 880-ish. See how far that bad boy gonna try to squeeze. Let's see what we get. 880's right here. All right, let's see. So SMCI should be coming back on up, which should be moving my contracts back on down. So keep pulling. Keep going. You got 20, like I said, $20 to go. $20 to go. Well, 18 now. 18 more to go. You ain't too far. Come on. Push. Nvidia, 873. So we $7 away from 880. So SMCI, I'm definitely keep that on watch. What about SPY? Oops, SPY, we about 50 cents away? What is your strike looking like? On what? On AR, what stock you talking about? And you know damn well I don't look at, especially on SPX, I do not look at the strike prices. You know this. I never look at my strike prices on SPX because I look at SPY. I watch SPY's charts, not SPX charts. I know SPX like the back of my hands, but not SPX, I'm sorry. I know SPY like the back of my hands, but I do not know SPX chart at all. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I do not look at SPX chart. I don't. Cause I know SPY. And SPX, it only does what SPY does anyway. So it's gonna follow it. So if I know SPY, I pretty much know SPX. So come on. Where we at, Nvidia? Where you at? 73? 73. All right, keep pushing, keep on. So I see you skyrocketing up here. So 880, keep on pushing, keep trucking. SMCI. You talking about back down? Well, what it's telling me on my chart here, SMCI. Today is 880. Next week is 800. So that's your max pain, basically, for the pullback down. So if the higher it go and we reverse back down, the better. So I want to go as high as it can for that reversal back on down. So let's see what we have right now. SMCI is above 840. I want 860. I want to go as high as it can, even if it goes up to the 900. I'm cool with that, because the minute that it touches that 50, you get that reversal. As you can see here, hits that 50, boom, back on down. So the higher you go, the better for a nice rotation right back on down, because you got your rotation on up. Now we just setting up for the rotation back on down. So I want to catch that upper portion for the rotation back down. Just like you did here, you went on up and you rotated down. So all it's gonna do, it might match up to that candle. I mean, let me see how high we're gonna go. So that'd be your rotation this way, which would be past 860, be like damn near towards 9. But 860, the only reason I'm saying 860 because it's under my trend line. And see how powerful my trend line is? So every time it hit, it fall, hit, fall, hit, fall. So that's the reason why I'm hollering out 860, because it's matching up right where my trend line is at. So that's the only reason why I'm saying 860 for the moment. I mean, could we go higher? Yeah, of course, you go up even higher. So that's why I'm anticipating to see what's going to happen as we do get higher. Because I'm looking for a possible rotation back on down. Because it's not going to keep going up forever. It's going to rotate down. You get a rotation up, you get a rotation down. You get a rotation up, you get a rotation down. You get a rotation up, you get a rotation down. You get a rotation up. Now I'm just waiting for the rotation back on down. So right here, I don't think it's it just yet. I think I got a little bit more in the tank before, we set ourselves up for a rotation back down. So that's why I'm aiming for these highs up here. So I know it's around this range somewhere. I'm just trying to figure out where. So 860 to 900, somewhere in this bracket. I know it's up here somewhere. I'm just trying to figure out where it's at exactly. But the only reason I'm saying also saying 862 is because you bounced at 860. 860, bounce. 860, bounce. 860, bounce. So support can turn into resistance. So that's why I was aiming towards 860. So I'm trying to see if we can get it. But we still haven't got up to 860 yet. So still no push for it. Still anticipating this 860. I mean, again, I may get it, I may not. If I don't get it, oh well. I ain't gonna worry about it. See, in AK, I was thinking the same things. So But I did say it first. I said it first. I said it first. I said it first. But I didn't say 511. I said 512, 514. I did say that. I'm not gonna lie. I just said we do spike back on up. We got room to run up to the 512s and possibly 514, right where my trend line is at. So we close. We close. We close. Hey boss, what time you going live, AK? Let me know what time you're going live so I can join you live, boss. So I can see what you're talking about. So I am anticipating it's gonna go up to my trend line, and my trend line is all the way, and this is SPY. My trend line is up to the 512, 514. So I was anticipating that. So that's why I say that we do continuously push because you're rotating. You rotated from the red line down to the green line, from the green line back on up to the red line. So you see how it rotates? Green line, red line, green line. We already rotated off the green, so now we're rotating back this way. So if we do get that push, you got 512, 514 right in my trend line. Now the reason why I'm hollering my trend line because every time you hit the trend line, you get rejected. Rejected, 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 rejected. So we have room to run, which is 9 times 10, 514. So we may get it, we may not. I'm just saying the possibility on how far it can rotate to, which is around the top of my trend line, which is around 512, 514. So that's why I'm still thinking we still got some room to still push still. So we'll see. But if we don't get it, well, you said 950. You said 950. I said 850. And the reason why I said 850 is because even in the past, 850 held up as strong support. See, bounce right on my white line. This is the 850 white line. Anytime you hit 850, you're going a nice run on up. 850, nice run on up. So my thing is, if we come back underneath 850, then yeah, we can possibly rotate back on down. So because now 850, instead of being support, 850 is going to turn into resistance where, yeah, you're going to have a long upper shadow up to the 950, but your body itself is going to reverse underneath 850. So if you go across the board right here, like I said, 850 bounce, 850 bounce, 850 bounce, boom, 850 resistance, 850 resistance. So that's why I'm saying that too. So if we do reverse, you know, I have to cancel my plans on it going back up. You know, we stay underneath 850. So that's the only issue. So that means I have to cancel my plans for these higher areas. So, you know. Same as Nvidia. Nvidia them don't go all the way up to 880-ish. Keep going on up. I mean, it's not a part of my plan. Same thing with the SMCI. As SMCI don't go all the way on up. I mean, my target was 860. And you can see right here, 840 keep getting rejected. 840, 840, 840. So, matter of fact, let me check my contracts real quick too. Let's see. So let me check out my contracts real quick. How low did we go? So I think the lowest my contract went was 1370, and it's already put. Damn, man. It's like I'm trying to see if that 840 is gonna actually hold. Or will we channel around the 840 and actually move up to 860? See, that's why I don't want to jump in too soon. Because we haven't got like a massive pullback yet. I mean, everything is still moving on the upside. Indicators are still moving up. That's the reason why I have not jumped in yet on SMCI. I mean, look at even on the 30-minute time frame. Your 90 EMA is up. 20 EMA is up. Your 50 is up. VWAP is up. So everything's still pointing up, 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 up. So we are still getting rejected at 840 though, because I see some of the upper shadows, but we have not touched the 860 that I wanted. But we are underneath my trend line. So if we go back here, you can see we are getting rejected where at my trend line that could start a reversal, which I was hoping for 860. Man, and look, it's pulling back. Oh man, this shit gets on my nerves. This is driving me crazy. I could have been up already. I could have been up already in profit. Because the lowest my contract went was 1370. That's the lowest my contract went. I was trying to go as low as possible. I mean, you can clearly see it. Even on my ladder, the lowest it went was 13, and now buyers are trying to move back on up to 1450, 1460. And as you notice, the value is moving up. So if I would have got in at these low areas, I'd still would have been holding while everything moving back on up. But man, I was trying. Team, I was trying, man. God, I was trying to nail this crap. I thought it was going up to 860. I mean, yeah, 860. But look like 840 is gonna be it. Damn. Team, I was trying to nail it. I swear I was. I was trying to catch it. I thought it was going all the way up here and then reverse. Because that would have brought us up here for a little spike and then a reversal back down. But I guess 840 might be it. What about Nvidia? Are we back? Yep, we back underneath what, 870? Yep, fell back underneath 870. So that could, is that it? Man. And look at that. Look SPY too. Look at this. Shout out to AK. He did say 950. I said 850. So I was $1 off from here. He is. So you stay underneath 850, it's gonna be resistance for sure. But yeah, shout out to AK for that. Look, I had my alert at $10. Ain't none of them hit my targets, man. That sucks. I mean, I guess I aimed a little too high. Because, I mean, I aimed a little too high. I did. I admit it. Need to hold. Well, I mean, with SPY, to think about it, what Coldplay is, 850 is a very powerful line. Because 850 can hold up as support or resistance. So that's going to be tricky because now you're back underneath 850. Because you can see right here, you hit 850, you fall. So now you can see. Shout out to AK for calling out the 550. I called out 850 because I know how powerful 850 can be. Because again, 850 can play as support and resistance. So as you can see, you hit 850, you come on down. Now you're underneath 850, which you can try to run on up, come on down. And look at your indicators, it's starting to kind of bend over, just bend a little bit. So it's showing weakness. So, and underneath 850 is going to be even worse because now your indicators are lining up with 850. So you got the 9 and the 20 lining up with 850. That's going to be triple the resistance. So that's even worse. So, damn it, I was out by like 50 cents. Shoot. I was out by 50. That's cool, man. I ain't tripping on it. I ain't sweating it. Damn it. I was aiming for SMCI. I was aiming for a SPY. Ain't none of them gave me what I wanted. See, we coming right back underneath 850. Watch. Keep it on watch. I mean, everything's still, the thing about it, everything's still green. That's the funny part. Like, the only one in red is Meta. That's the funny part. Like, all the more, like, everything is in green. It's still showing, like, bullishness in the market. Damn, I should have caught that. Let me see how much I would have been up if I would have caught that 950. Let me see. I swear, AK always jinxing me. Every time I say a number, he'll say a number below mine, and the market goes, you know what, AK? Since you are the stock whisperer, can you ask SPY to go up to like $10 so I can catch those tops and, and catch the move back on down? Can you do a boy a favor real quick? Nah, I'm just joking. Let me see. How much I would have been up on my call play? SPX call? No, put, not call. Put. What was my old SPX contract? It didn't move too much though. They say that it went on that drop. This contract didn't. Oh, I see why. I see why it didn't. Yeah, that Delta. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of that contract. Cause that Delta, jeez. Glad I got out of that. Let me fix my strikes real quick. Let me see. What about $2? Let me see. Went on a $2 bounce. See, it didn't really move a lot. I mean, say that we caught a little pullback. Well, the one I got right here didn't really do too much. On this put contract, I mean, it bounced from 140 to 2, like a little dollar movement. So it didn't go like on a massive movement. Let me see if I can see any other contracts that may have moved even more. Let me see. Let me check out this 13 one. Let's see. Oh, this one moved from $6 to what? Yeah, this one, that one moved. Shoot, man. I was waiting on 10. Man. AK jinxed me, man. AK jinxed me. I was trying to aim for 10. He called out 950. He had to spread that toxicity in the air. I was, God doggy, man. Thanks, AK. Thank you. You're so great. You're so great. Well, I mean, at least I could try to go for 850. I mean, at least. I mean, 850. What's let's see. Because the only thing about it is still holding that trend line. That's the only issue. Still holding that trend line. That's why I really don't want to go for a put just yet, because you're still on the trend line that can still go up. So it's not like it cracked the trend line and went back down. So oops. See, we haven't even crossed over on the 30 either. So I mean, I know we're getting that VY bounce. I know we're getting a VY bounce for sure. So that's what I'm trying to figure out as we go back up. Because I don't see no crossovers just yet. Not yet. You know, to give me like a clear sign, you know, for, I mean, we did get this little pullback here. So I wonder if we're going to start creating an H pattern from this point. So we got these red candles. So I wonder if we're going to start making like an H pattern. We kind of start doing a second leg, you know, that two-legged pullback. So I wonder if we're going to go back on up and then go for another drop. What time it is? 11 o'clock? Let me see. AK jinxed me, man. AK jinxed me. I was trying to get it for 10 and write it on down, but you, all right. All right, Gert, I see you, boss. I'll be heading out soon, too. Because I'm not trying to force anything, like I said. Oh, did AK say he was going on? Or did he say what time he was going on? Or did I miss that? Friday, you know, 509 resistance. I don't think he gave me a time frame that he was going on. I don't think he did. Did he? No. Oh, Jerhoff, hey, be ready. Weekend, boss. We're gonna go over some lessons. Lessons this week. We're gonna go over some lessons. Be ready. I will be hitting you up this week, boss. We're gonna be knocking it out. He usually goes in the afternoon. Okay, cool. So by the time I get off, he'll be going on. Okay, cool. So I'll cover up the mornings for him. That's what I'm gonna start doing for AK on Fridays. I'll do the mornings, and then around afternoon I'll hop off and I'll hop into his lobby. That sounds fair, cause I mean that still keep y'all going, you know. So y'all not losing everybody. Nvidia still testing it. Nvidia started dropping great, and SMCI, because I just want to see if we're gonna get that push, because I just want to see this, if we're gonna get that setup. See, it's still going sideways. I definitely still see this uptrend still going. So I definitely still see this. Let's see. Can we hold it or will we crack it? Let's see. What are we gonna do? Wow. So keeping this on watch. SMCI, what you doing? Still ain't got back into my mark, huh? SMCI still ain't give me what I want. I mean, it's still in a channel. I mean, we still haven't failed yet. So I'm just trying to see what his last push is gonna be at. Cause I mean, I still want to trade, but the only one that probably gave me as close to what I wanted was SPY. Cause I was gonna start going in at 510, 512, 514, but AK ass jinxed me with that 5950 crap, and I missed it. Cause I had my target set right here at 510, and the minute AK had to open up his big mouth and say 509.50, it listened and fell. Thanks, AK. Thank you so much for messing up my trade, buddy. Shout out to Sean and then for everything he does, man. Thank you again so much, boss, for everything you done for me and for the community. Huge shout out to you, man. We're going to keep going, man. The community is going to continue to keep growing, bigger and bigger and bigger. We're going to keep pushing. We're going to keep promoting, because we're going to make TradeCaster the #1 trading platform in the world. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm not giving a shout out to AK for jinxing me. I'm not giving him a shout out. Cause I was about to add in my entry. And he got, remember you saying you were wanting to short some stocks with trade zero. Oh, matter of fact, speaking of that, boss, I think they did, something happened to my account on trade zero. I mean, thank God I had no money in it. But I went to it and I don't know, because I haven't used it in so long. I don't know if they kicked me out of it. Because I can go to it and show you, to show I'm not lying. So, wait, was it? Yeah, it should have been trade zero. So let me go to trade zero real quick. Trade zero, trade zero. I mean, I can show you for example, so I'm not lying. So let me try it again. So go to open an account. No, not open. I mean sign in. Tripping. Sign in. I have to go on this side. I just want to make sure nothing's gonna pop up. All right, watch. I can show you. Look. So watch. Even if I go here, JTrade, da 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 da. See, something's not right on it. So let me double check that. Something is not right. Or is that the wrong email? Let me try it again. I think I got it. I think I'm in. It's loading. I think I might have it. Oh, damn, it was the wrong email address. That's why. Let me see what it's doing. It's still loading. Still loading, still loading. Let me see if I got it. Because it's still loading. So I think I still may have it. I think I had the wrong email address in and I wasn't paying attention. Ain't that some crap? Now I feel stupid. Because it's loading now. I feel dumb. Still loading, still waiting on it. I thought they took it away. My fault. My bad. Deck is contacting Lightspeed. He might be able to lower capitals and lower commissions. Okay. So yeah, if it works, shit. Let me see. I could add money and start doing shorts. So AK stop talking about me. I'm in Lake Charles, Louisiana, Queen. I'm in the bottom of the map, the boot-shaped state. I mean, from the swamp. What are the words? From the land of Master P's and Shaquille's and Tyler Perry's and Britney Spears and August Alsina and Glenn Big Baby Davis. So yeah. It's still loading. What the hell is taking so long? This thing's still loading. Like it's literally just loading. I don't know what's taking this forever. I mean, y'all see it loading though. So I guess I still have it. I just gotta see what the hell it's gonna do. It's just loading. I don't know. So if I still got my account, Jerhoff, I might just transfer my money over and start doing some shorts on now AK gonna be happy. I can start doing some penny stocks. We could be waiting on penny stock moves and be shorting them bad boys. So, I mean, hey, don't hurt to try. Just saying. Just saying. I'll short some penny stocks with y'all. I'll do it. I trade anything. I don't care. I trade it all. I'm just trying to wait for it to still loading. See? It's still doing it. I'm still sitting here just watching the damn thing spin. I don't want to reset it because I'm like, what about if I reset it and then I'll make it worse? That's why I don't even want to touch it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna let it just, because you know the minute you try to, you let curiosity get the better of you and you wind up doing something and making something worse. I don't want to do that because I'm that type of person to do some stupid stuff like that. Like my curiosity get the better of me and I go try to fix something and I'll make it even worse. I'm like, lesson learned, I'm not touching it. Nope. I'm gonna just keep letting it spin until otherwise. I ain't doing nothing. I'm waiting on a trade. I'm just, man, I don't know, man. Just waiting on a trade, team. Waiting on a trade. Trying to make another trade before I head out, because y'all already know about 12 o'clock I'm rolling out, team. So right now it's 11:27. I'm gonna soon be heading out in about 30 minutes, team. So if y'all got any questions, comments, or concern, hit your boy up. Let me know what's up. I got y'all. Jerhoff, I told you, like I said, we're gonna take care of everything. We're gonna go over our lessons and everything. So we're gonna go over the Breaking Bad methods. Ely. We're gonna be going up, getting ourselves ready for the next setup for next week. So we're gonna make sure we good to go. We're gonna make this money, baby. I have a freaking interview about maybe to be honest. Huh? I have a freaking interview about to maybe be an honest. Really? JB's really? So you had to wait for an interview to do that? Ameritrade is acting weird. How's it acting weird, Queen? I don't see nothing wrong on my end. So an interview had to make you an honest man. God, that's not good. That's not good. A whole interview. But we already know how that's gonna go. Cause you're gonna put on the front for the. I already know how it's gonna go. You're gonna put on the front for the interview, and then you're gonna go back to your old ways after you get it. I know what you're gonna do. Come on, JB. I know what you're gonna do. Don't even try that. After that interview is over, he's gonna go right back to his old ways. We all do that. Interviews, boy, we be so uppity, man. We dressed up. We saying things that we normally don't never say in a normal conversation. Saying certain words, using big words, big terminologies. And then after the interview is over, we go right back to normal. They be like, man, you changed. I'm like, yeah, I got the interview. I don't care no more. It's like, it's the point now. It's over. I'm already in the door, so I can do whatever I want. So, all right, come on, man. Something gotta give, man. I'm just still sitting here, team. I'm trying to see if I get a trade while I got 30 minutes with y'all, because I'm letting y'all know I'm gonna be hopping over in AK-47's lobby for 12 o'clock, because I will be chunking up the deuce to y'all, man. It is Friday, it's 12 o'clock. I do not like trading after a certain time on Fridays, because the volume gets a little wonky, and plus I want to see how the market is gonna set itself up as we end here, because you remember what I told you. Friday sets the tone, Monday sets the standard. So, with that being said, let's go back a little bit to see on how the tones and standards were set throughout the week. So, let's go back and look at our 30-minute time frame. Let's go back. Let me erase these lines real quick. Let me take this off. So, let's go back all the way to Monday. So, let's see on how we were set from Monday to now. So, Monday through Friday. So, Monday, right about here. So Monday's tone was 502. Friday set the standards of 508 so far. Well, we haven't closed yet, but so we're definitely above Monday's tone. So get out of it just a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Monday, yep, 502, and then Friday set the standard around 508 so far. So we have went up, we have uptrended. So far so good. So if Monday tone was down here on this spike, could we see a possible pullback to that area around 502? So let's see what is that a possibility going into next week? Could we see ourselves going back down to around that 502-ish area since Monday set the tone of 502? Is that a possibility for next week? Let's see. Let's put this little line here real quick. So 502, 502, 502, 502, 502, 502. So could we return back to 502? So that's just making me question why we up here. So we rotated up, but as we rotate down, will we see 502 again, since we did pivot around that area multiple times? So I wonder, and I'm talking about from this week, from again the highs of 502 Monday going into Fridays, we're above that mark. So while we are at these highs and we do come down, will we see 502 again as we do rotate? Is the $1 million question. So, and what's the max pain going into next week? What is the max pain for SPY? Let's check it out real quick as we on here. Max pain for next week. Wow! And I even look at the max pain to figure that out. Wow! I swear, I didn't even look at the max pain for next week. All I do is look at my chart and look what the number at. Wow! You can't even make that up. Damn! Excuse my language. Look at the max pain when I called out. Look, before I even looked back on here. 502. Wow, that's crazy. I swear I didn't even look at this while I was doing my chart. That's crazy. 502. And what I was talking about? 502. Wow. Insane. Huh. So with that being said, huh. Could we see, could I get, I don't want to jump the gun. But could we see, could we get rejected and still start falling down to 502 today? That's the $1 million question. Where's my, but that's crazy. No, Marty, that's crazy. Before I even looked at that summary, I was just looking at my chart and I said 502. That's crazy that the max pain is at 502 on the summary. And I swear I didn't even look at that beforehand. I promise I didn't look at that. All I said was, I said Monday's tone, Friday's standard. I say Friday tone rotated around 502, 502, 502. Then I went on to the summary, and the summary said 502, which is telling me, giving me indications that we could rotate back down to 502. So if I get in for a put, we could possibly rotate down to 502. All right, let me see. Where's my old chart at? Let me see. 900. Oh yeah, I didn't like that one. Cause I think that one didn't have enough delta. Well, no, it's still moving. So 502. So if I get up here and we fall back down to 502. So if 502 is the max pain, how much higher can we go before we actually reverse back on down again? It's the question. So, I mean, still green on my trend line. I mean, we're underneath 508 still. So we may open up with the next candle. And could we possibly come back down after that next candle come in? Or could we push up some more and then... See, that's why I don't want to jump in just yet. Shoot. Because 508.50 could be resistance, and we could be pulling back down from this point. Because we're still holding up the VWAP, so if we crack the VWAP, for sure we're coming back down. Because VWAP is trying to bounce. Bounce. See, I thought we was gonna get that 510 and then reverse. Because like I said, I was gonna put in the contract at 510, 512, 514. I was gonna cover up every area above it. But AK jinxed me and opened up his mouth and said 950 and the damn stock fell. Damn him. What about, let me see what SMCI doing. Still sideways. Nvidia. Still underneath 870. Man, this is crazy. I mean, the only one that looks a little bit more reliable would be SPY. SPY looks a little bit more reliable to start moving back down. That's the only one I see, but we're on top of this trend line. It's the only issue. So if we do come back down, that'd be what, 5? That's 506-ish. 506. So it's the only thing I'm watching. So we may still got room to run still. If we still got some more juice left in the tank before bass do come in massive, but I don't want to jinx it. Because I know if I open my mouth, then them bears gonna come in right now and do something. But I do anticipate what I would like to see. I would like to see a move back on up towards 510, 512, 14. I want to see it get back up towards these highs here. But man, I don't think we'll have enough juice left in the tank. Oh, we could have some juice for the next candle coming in at 1 o'clock. I mean, that could lead to a push back this way. I mean, possibly. But because the market is still green. Market is still good. So I mean, we're kind of like in an area of, a lot of them in crucial areas right now, which is why a lot of them going sideways right now too. Man, shoot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait right now. 'Cause I think you still got room left in the tank to go up, team. I really do. I think you got room left in the tank to still move up. So I'm still kind of. I don't want to jump the gun. I'm gonna just go with my instincts on that one. You know, I just feel like we still got room to run. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because it looks like you still want to push. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out because I still think you got room to still run up some more. So I'm gonna wait because, like I said, I'm just going off of this pattern setup right here that you still got room to run this way. So I mean, you still got room to go up this way because we haven't came back down under these trend lines here. You know, back to the downside. We still holding up on this trend to go back to towards the upside. So the only thing we have to do is get back above 850. Get back above 850. You got room to run back up this way. So that's why I'm not jumping the gun just yet, because I want to see if, you know, how much gas is left in the tank before the bears come in. And matter of fact, speaking of that, how many do we still have 1.1 million contracts still expiring? Still? What we had as far as yeah, we still got 1.1 million out of the money puts expiring today on SPY. So that's why I want to see if they still want to try to push, or what they can. Well, I'm gonna say, or what buyers, you know, what the bulls can be doing is trying to stall them out of their contracts, because you got 1.1 million out of the money puts expiring. They could be stalling them out to create a bigger squeeze. Possible, because 1.1 million, and that's the furthest you went. I'm like, they trying to hold, those buyers are trying to hold up a certain level, you know, trying to, you know, push out that time, because it could create a squeeze, a possible squeeze. We may get it, we may not. I mean, it's just a thought. I mean, because to say we haven't had a dramatic fall yet, only from 509 to 508, I mean, there ain't really nothing to say we got 1.1 million contracts expiring. So that's why I'm like, and we haven't caught a real dramatic move yet, and you got 1.1 million out of the money puts expiring, like, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Something ain't adding up. Because again, you got, 1.1 million out of the money puts versus 288,000 out of the money calls. And to say you got 1.1 million puts expiring today, and you trying to tell me this is the furthest you went. So by looking at this, I'm like, those buyers are either trying to hold a certain area to push those, you know, try to push out that time decay on those puts to create a squeeze. So that's what I'm anticipating, because I'm like, nah, something ain't right. To say you got 1.1 million and this is the furthest you went on a pullback, you know, as far as puts from 509 to 508, I'm like, nah, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Guys, 1.1 million. 1.1 million. Think about it. 1.1 million out of the money puts, and the furthest you went was from 509 to 508, $1. So with that being said, something is, they're holding a certain area, because you got to think about it. Time decay. Today's the 26th. You got 1.1 million contracts expiring, puts especially, and that's the biggest move you made so far. Nah, something ain't adding up. Something ain't right. So what I'm thinking, I mean, again, we could get a pullback, you know, out of nowhere. But what I'm thinking, this is just me thinking, that those buyers are trying to hold a certain key level to push out that time on those put contracts to create a squeeze. That's what it sounds like to me. Sound like they trying to procrastinate that time to get them closer and closer towards the end of the market, because you already know that time decay kicks in, you know, and those contracts become worthless. So they're going to have to jump out of their contracts, right? They're going to have to jump out of their positions, which is going to add on to the buying side, which is going to add on to buying pressure for a possible push on up. So something ain't right. Like I said, 1.1 million puts, and this is the furthest you got. See what I mean? Something ain't right. So I really think that those buyers are trying to hold those puts out of their position. They're trying to hold a certain level to try to squeeze them out. I really think that's what those buyers trying to do. That's why I haven't jumped in yet. I really think both buyers trying to do that. They're trying to squeeze those puts out of their position right now. So I still think in my mind that we're going up higher. I still think we're going to see 510, damn near 512, 514, something. Because you got room to run this way. That's what I'm saying. Something is not adding up right now. Something is definitely not adding up, because you got all the space to run this way you basically are on an uptrend. Even if you do this, dude, you're on an uptrend. You're rotating from the bottoms straight to the tops. And look how much room you got to still run to the tops. And what is that? 510, 512, 514. Again, 1.1 million contracts put expiring. And again, this is the furthest you went. 509 to 508. And not just that, the max pain. Let's go back. Where's the max pain? This will benefit the puts. Have it if we would get it. What's the max pain? April 26, 503. Have we touched 503 yet? No. So we know where we're at 508. We ain't nowhere near 503. Your max pain is back down. So again, look what's happening, dude. Come on now. I ain't stupid. You ain't about to play. You ain't about to play me. I know what you're doing. You're trying to squeeze those damn puts out of their contracts. You're trying to create a squeeze. You're trying to hold a certain level. You're trying to wait for that time to push out further and further and further because those contracts will become worthless, right? Time decay. That's going to force those puts to get out of their position, which means they have to buy back. That's going to add on to the buying pressure, which is going to create a squeeze. See what's happening? I ain't stupid. You ain't going to catch me slipping. Come on, Wall Street. Y'all got to do better than that, man. You ain't catching me. You ain't gonna catch me slipping. Nope. I ain't falling for it. You ain't catching me. Not on your worst day. Nice try. Nice try. But you ain't catching me. And I reset it and it's still loading. Still doing the same exact thing. I just resetted it, put my information in, and still doing it. Let me make sure that my account works. Let me reset. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to forgot username and see if it's gonna send me something to my email address real quick, just to make sure it works. So if they send me an email from Trade Zero, it means it's still active. Nope, I just did it. Account doesn't exist with that email. Why? So now it don't exist? Let me try. Oh, crap. I know what happened. It's set up for my old email address. Damn, and I think I deleted it. That's why. Oh, shoot. I wonder if they'll allow me to switch my email, because I think the old Gmail I had, I think I deleted it. I don't even think I had that email no more. Oh, shoot. Do I still have it? I don't think I do. I think that email is gone. Shoot. Yeah, I think that old email address, let me check it, let me see. The old J Trades email. Nope. Damn it. That's what it is. It's stuck on my old email address that I deleted a long time ago. That's why. And I can't even get to it because it's other than my old account. Gigi, was I lying? Marty, was I lying? Look at this. You think I'm gonna fall for that? I know what they doing. You ain't about to catch me. I guess, man, I might just have to create a new account. I might just have to create a whole new account. Because that other email I had, I don't have that when I deleted it a long time ago. Shoot. Yep, because when I went to recover my password and my username, I had to put in my old email address. That's why. But wait. But okay, wait. Let me see something here. Hold on. Let me figure something out. So let me try to see if I can use the same one. Let me go back to sign in. Hold on. I may. Let me go back to the old setup I had. Okay, J-Trades, of course. All right, let's see. This username and password doesn't work, so it might be a different password. Let me see. Damn, God dang, I switched my password so many times. Let me see if I can remember. Like some ones I may have used. gonna have to guess. Because I don't have that email address no more, so it's not like I can recover towards my old email. So I'm gonna have to guess the password. Shit. Why did I do that? Nope, that ain't right either. Damn it. I'm trying to remember every password I ever used. Crap. JJ for real. Nope, that don't work either. I might have to just call him. I'm gonna have to, because I don't remember. I mean, god dang, how many passwords did I create? What passwords did I use for this? Yeah, J-Trade. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call him. Yeah, let me see. Let me see if I can get in touch with him real quick. I'm gonna have to use department account. No, let me see. Yeah, account update. Start chat. Let me start a chat with them real quick. Let me see if they can respond. Yeah, so I had to start a chat with them real quick, team, to see if I can get them to respond. Welcome to Trade Zero. Oh, damn, I don't even know my account number. Oh, shoot. I don't remember my account number because it's on my email address. Ah, crap. Ah, damn it. Ah, freak. Damn, I don't remember my account number for Trade Zero because it's on my old account. I can't get it. Ah, let me see what they're going to say. Let me see if there's another way. I'm going to tell them. My Trade Zero information is on my old email that I no longer have. Let me see what they say. If there's like any other type of way to doing it. Let me see what she say. I say, apologize, my TZ info is on my old email that I no longer have. Hopefully they can find a way to help me with that. Cause I forgot what it is. I mean, my number should be on there. Let me see if they're gonna send me a number. What other way that they can Let me see what she say. Yeah, team. So I'm just waiting on her to respond. So I'm just waiting on a response. So, what did she say? Do you want to change the email? Oh yeah. Is it a lady that want to make sure I'm saying yes ma'am or not yes sir? Yes ma'am. Okay, yes ma'am. Alright, let me see. She said she asked about do I want to change my email address. So let's see what she say. Kindly email us at Tracy. Mention that you would like to change the email address. Mention the previous. Okay, cool. Alright, let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so let me set that up. So hopefully that can give me access back to my my Trade Zero. So I'm getting with it right now. Go to my email address. Alright, send it to. Alright, to Trade Zero. Alright, email change. Alright, cool, email change. Let me see. I would like to update my old email address. .com to the new email address. Address at trades. I might get access back to my whatchamacallit. Alright, cool. Oh, let me ask you, do I need to send a specific her name or whatever? Please allow me to follow for a few. Wait. Let me see. Please hold. We need to confirm some info first. What is the old email address? Okay. I know what that is, though. Got it. Damn, a whole other person stepped in. They said, hold on, hold. It went from a lady to a man on my email. Like he stepped in like authority figure. Can you confirm the phone number on file? Yes, I can. All right. So I'm confirming my phone number. Let's see what he say. Let's see what he say. Well, they let me in. I'm just sitting here trying to see how I get it fixed. So we get rejected again, huh? I mean, the markets is still green, man. I'm like, I'm still waiting. Come on, man. Give me a sign. All right, thank you. Can I call you at this number to confirm? Yes, you can. So hold on, team. I'm about to get a call. So from Trade Zero. So I gotta confirm it. So give me a little minute, team. I'll be right back. Let me confirm my phone call with Trade Zero. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. Is anybody give me a call? Hold on. I'll be right back. Hello? Yes, sir. How you doing, sir? Yes, sir. 21183. Oh, I'm sorry. 21183. I do apologize. Sorry about the music. I'm on a live stream. I apologize. Okay, let me see. What was the name of my apartment? God damn, I know it ain't been that long since I Oh, Legacy. That's what the name of it was. Legacy Apartments. Legacy. Here we go. I found it. Legacy Apartments. Okay, it is 5225 Elliott Road. That's what it is. Lake Charles, Louisiana, zip code 70605. Okay, so go to Trade. Go back to the Trade Zero website, right? Trade Zero. All right, Trade Zero. I'm back on. Okay. And go to where? Manual guides and downloads. I'm on the front part where it says open account and sign in.
Okay, hit sign in.
Sign in. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I'm on here.
Yeah, go ahead and sign into the client portal.
Use the new email address.
No, it's gonna be the old one.
Okay.
It's gonna be your user ID, remember it.
No, that's it's been so long since I used this account. Okay, I got that. Okay, let me see. Let me try to see if it's gonna let me in. Saying that the username and password is incorrect. I never changed anything.
What's the email you're using?
The new one,
Yeah.
J Trades. The old one is the regular jtrades at gmail.com, but it's jaetrades@gmail.com. That's the old one. That's the one I can't access.
What it might be, we ask clients to update their email address.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what up.
Yeah, team. Let me go ahead and exit off real quick. I gotta talk to them because I don't want to hold y'all up. So let's go ahead and go into the library real quick so I give everybody, the to everybody bye. So let's go ahead and head to the library real quick. Let's go. Yeah, team, man. Thank y'all for joining me. I know I got them still on my phone call right now, so I don't want to keep y'all waiting. I do apologize. And I did say I was getting off at 12. So let me go ahead and wrap up. I will be hopping in AK-47's live. So let me give a shout out real quick to my people. Forever Woe, shout out to you. D Willie, shout out to you. Trade Life, shout out to you. J24, shout out to you as well. Let me go ahead and give a shout out to my team on Tradecaster real quick. So I do apologize because I didn't think it was gonna take that long. I got to verify some more
Jeremy B
information.
says, thanks, Jay.
Yeah, I got to verify some more information with Trade Zero. So I don't want to hold everybody up. So let me go ahead and get a shout out real quick. Engineer, shout out to you, Queen. Marty, shout out to you. Nuno, Cisco, Jerhoff, GG. Try to hurry up do as quick as I can while they got me on hold. J Beans, Jerhoff, I think I said your name already. Shout out to you, Sean Degmore, Deshaun, shout out to you. Gert, shout out to you. Coldplay, AK-47, Nuno. Who else?
Marty's Elizniak
AR,
says,
shout out to you.
drop some likes, guys and
Let me
gals.
see. Let me go. I don't make sure I don't miss nobody because I know I'm rushing.
We're gonna make it a lot easier
Okay.
for you and everyone else involved.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna close this account.
Okay.
This old account.
Okay.
And you're gonna sign up for a new account with the new information, and then it'll be fine to be able to get through.
Okay. Yeah, I'll set up a new one then.
Okay. Yep. Just sign up for a new account.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You
All
have a
right.
good day.
You too, sir. All right. Bye-bye. Well, as y'all heard, I got to sign up a new account. So I'm still going to hit roll on out though. So let me go ahead and give my shout outs to everybody, man. But yeah, so for what they said just go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to have to create a new account. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that this week. But let me go ahead and give a shout out because I am going to hop in AK-47's live. So let me make sure that I got everybody down packed, man. Let me see. Make sure I called out everybody. Scrooge, shout out to you, boss.
Forever Low says, we gone early today.
Yeah, on Fridays I don't ever stay long, boss. Cause Fridays
Forever Low says, I just got here.
yeah, Fridays I normally don't stay long, and that's due to the fact is the volume starts to kind of like die down because the Friday is the last trade day of the week, and everybody already made their trades going to enjoy their weekend. So on Fridays I only do half a day. I only do like 9:15 to about 12 o'clock. So yeah, I don't stay that long on Fridays, boss. But yeah, shout out to Forever Wolf. Thank you for coming through, boss. Scrooge, shout out to you. Thunder, shout out to you. I will be heading over to AK-47's live, so I will be in there to get his insights on what he's talking about. Let me see. King Kong Trey, shout out to you, boss. Just make sure I got everybody because I don't want to leave nobody out. Jay Beans, I already gave you a shout out. I think that is it.
Forever Low says, I was wondering why you was so early. Shouts, brother, enjoy your weekend.
Man, you too, boss. You have a blessed weekend. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining me. And for the rest of the team, man, again, shout out to y'all for the incredible trades that y'all made this week. And I hope that everybody ended up in green. And again, don't forget, next week we will be having FOMC meeting Wednesday, May 1st. So don't forget about that, and I will remind you guys about that. For my Patreon members and also for my YouTube members, I will be sending out more information. I will be doing some one-on-ones this weekend, so do be looking forward to that. I will be getting with you guys. And again, thank y'all so much for supporting me. Thank y'all so much for rocking with me, man. And we're gonna keep moving forward. And again, if you like everything, you're enjoying the content, and you're getting valuable information from it, do your boy a favor and subscribe, follow, smash the like buttons, comment, share, whatever you can to help get the name out there so we can boost up that algorithm so I can start, doing what I got to do. But I hope everybody have a blessed weekend, man, and I will be seeing y'all Monday, and we're going to keep it rocking and rolling. So you already know what I'm about to say before I roll on out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk, always put grateful over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Until then, team, I hope everybody have a blessed and safe weekend, and we will keep it rocking and rolling starting next week. Peace.